Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go. Let's go. I see NASDAQ's down quite a bit. Let's see. Hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. I had to reposition the mic. So let's see. The MNQ trade finally hit target last night. This morning, I don't know. My day is kind of mixing all together. If we go look though, we're looking right here on the 4-hour time frame, that 333 level. We hit it, we overshot it. We did not make it to the point of control yet, but let's see. Gotta get this. There we go. There we goes. Yeah, there's some bait fish swimming around me today. I didn't see no fins though. So there's some bait fish swimming around. Waves were pretty fun this morning. We got a lot of time in the water this morning already. Plan on going back out once again later on. Yeah, to the moon. Well, let's go look at the S&P. I see the NASDAQ's a little bit weaker. We look at the S&P. S&P came down, hit that point of control, overshot it. Boom. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? Oops. All right, gotta get the volume down on that. Gotta hit the live button too. I gotta read the chat through the phone. Met 50% consistency with Lucid. Nice. We are going to give away a Lucid account today as well on stream. Maybe 2 of them. I don't know. I'll have to go look. Hey, Trader 007. So, the first winner from yesterday got upset with me, sent me some nasty emails. I'm basically a bad person. But we shall see. We shall see. I gotta get my bearings straight before placing any trades. I want to make sure I don't make a mistake. So we shall see. Yeah, I'm glad you finally got one, Raj. Finally. It's pretty awesome. So here's the question. Are we going to go all the way back up and take out these highs? Looks like we're up a little bit here. So, wow, Dow's up 831 points. Holy smokes. ES is up 14. NASDAQ down 199. Russell up 30. Hey, so what's clapping the NASDAQ and what's making the Dow go up so much? What is we missing? Let me try to get trading view up real quick. We'll settle down around the opening price. I'm just so glad that we hit my MNQ target. That was a banger of one. Trying to bring financial juice over, trying to get trading view over here so we can look through it real quick. Okay. Gotta play musical move arounds. Just want to get my bearings real quick. I need to turn up the brightness on my display here too. Turned it down last night. Money leaving tech, huh? Hey, where's the brightness? Hey, there we go. Now I can see. Yeah, Broadcom had earnings yesterday. Okay, so Nikkei was down 931 last night. HSI was down 379. Diamonds were up 149, and the CAC is up 121. VIX is down 50 cents. Bitcoin down 284. It looks like, let's go look at Bitcoin. I think it was down a little bit lower. Yeah, it was. Bitcoin made it all the way down here to what? 61 300s? Let's go look at AVGO real quick. It's funny. So, wow. Yeah, AVGO is down 14%. Holy smokes. Yeah, that's a big one there. All right, what is SMH doing? SMH gap down. Trying to come back here a little bit. Hey, what's up? What's up? PS Spenda, what's up? Let's see. What about sectors? What do we got for sectors? Oh, it looks like we have XLK technology down. Technology is the only sector in the red. So I'm assuming RSP should be doing decent. Let's see. RSP is up 0.58%. SPY is currently up 0.26%. So they're going to rotate all the way out of tech. They're flying into the Dow this morning, looks like. And here's the funny thing. If we look at, let's see if I can get this over here. So before I went surf, I'm so glad. You guys don't even know. I was in a trade. I'll show you guys here in a second. From last night. In these prop accounts. I know I said I was only going to trade the prop accounts one day, but I can't stay away. I traded them every single day I've been here. So here's the prop accounts from last night. Not up a whole lot, but I closed them out. I was in a short and I was going to let it ride. While surfing, I was like, nah, let me go ahead and take the profit. Took 176 profit from those. Puts me up almost $4,000 for the day. And if I had not have done that, if I would have let it ride, I would have been a little bit upset about right now. Would have came back and not been so happy. So I am glad that I ended up just doing the right thing. So pretty happy about that. Pretty happy. Now tonight I'm probably not going to trade the prop accounts because I got to worry about the NFP data coming out tomorrow. I'm going to probably be out in the water, so I don't want a chance that I'm not going to have a chance to close them out before the news. So unless I see some amazing little scalp tonight, I probably will not trade those tonight. I'll probably just wait and see. Tomorrow the waves are supposed to be pretty big again. They were tied. They're already starting to build. And the tide was going out. The waves got pretty heavy on us this morning. I got worked a little bit. Had probably the best ride of the trip so far. But, man, I paid for it after it. Boy, oh boy, did I pay for it. Yeah, zero. I haven't seen any sharks yet. No sharks yet. Knock on wood. We're not hoping to invite the sharks to this party. All right, this is supposed to be a shark-free party. So I'll move this over a little bit more. But nonetheless. So how'd you guys do out there this morning? You guys do well trading? How'd the market treat you? If my name is selected in today's giveaway, you'll be very happy. Hey, you were selected yesterday in the giveaway. Your duck just didn't win. So if you do get selected today, hopefully you train the duck a little bit better. You're really being in Costa Rica and doing drywall? What's crazy is I'm not even hungry right now. I just burnt like another 3,000 calories. 3,000, I think it's like 3,200 calories this morning surfing. Surfed for about 4 hours. I just haven't eaten yet. I'm not even hungry yet. I'm sure it'll kick in eventually. So here's a question. Do you think we're just going to rally into the close? And if so, should we be just looking for longs? So you have a nice bullish engulfing-ish candle. This candle closes at 2 o'clock. Nice. Hey, simple trade. Congrats. Good deal. Go on the race. Hey, it might. We'll see. We'll see. I still haven't picked the winner from last night's video. So if you guys didn't leave a comment last night's video, you might want to go do that. No, hey, the Starlink isn't working. Where my room is, I thought I'd be able to get it off the balcony, but the overhang hangs off too much and it blocks. I can't get a good signal. But they did upgrade the internet, and the download speed it's all right. It's like 80 megabytes, but the upload speed is like 150. So that's not bad. So we shall see. Hey, and just to be clear, I'm going to get this out of the way now because the person that was disqualified yesterday is very unhappy. Said I'm a bad person, basically. I say somebody wins, I just take things away from them. But one, you have to be signed up to the email list down below. Two, your email must be confirmed. Otherwise, you're going to forfeit. All right, I got that out of the way early. I went back and tried to watch part of the stream. I did not say it when we went to do the giveaway yesterday. So. Yeah, I explained it most of the times, but yesterday I did not. He said he jumped on right before the race. Maybe I did it earlier in the stream. I don't know. Yeah, and he wasn't a regular. If he was a regular, I would have gave it more time. Try to work things out. But hey, and then I even explained to him, I got scammed out of $100. When I was giving away cash prizes, I got scammed out of $100 by a scammer. That's why we had to go this route with the giveaways. It was around Christmas time, so I guess that person needed the money more than I did. Yeah, I mean, but I don't know. It is what it is. So. Yeah, I mean, I can't find the email if you're not confirmed, so there's no way I can send you an email. Yeah, people being people. So, now I'm thinking about maybe going along. I just don't. That dials up quite a bit. The other guy on the trip, it's funny. Like I've been a little bit more on the short side than he has. We get back into the vehicle to come back, and he goes, let's see if we got any of my targets were filled. He's looking, he goes, I don't have no alerts. I go, oh great, market's going up. Whoo! And I told him ahead of time, I was like, I hope it goes up because I got out of my shorts earlier. I was trying. So last night I was trying to take the ES all the way down here to 74.82, which is trying to come. I was trying to play off that gap down here, see if we get some more sell-off down towards that gap. And now what I want to look out for on the 4-hour chart on the ES is, do we form a lower high? And does this turn into an ABC pattern, down? So we'll see. So let's see. 93, we still going up. I feel like we're going to try to get this back up today. So let me make sure I don't FOMO into this, though. I'm jonesing to place a trade. I'm like, ooh, I need a trade. We are a little bit stretched away from the view apps. We're above the first deviation band. Wow, ES is above the second deviation band. Huh. Interesting. Let me go look at something else real quick. Oh, man. My arms are like noodles right now. I will tell you, the bed's not nearly as comfortable as the bed at my house. And I'm out. As soon as my head hits the pillow at night, I'm out. Done. Cooked. Okay, so we got some right there. 75, 70. I can see the ES pulling back a little bit. We're almost at the 75, 70. Where are we trading at? I can see the S&P dropping about 10 points maybe. Do I maybe? Let's go see what crude oil is doing real quick. What is crude oil doing? Crude oil is down $3. All right, so I guess we're almost back to having a deal again. Is that what's going on with crude oil? We're about to have the best deal ever. So I'm debating. Should I? The Apex account's up too. I traded the Apex account separately last night. I think it's up, I don't know, $400. Let's go see. I'm worried about the Apex rule now. You guys got my head. I didn't connect to it. Let me reconnect to Apex. Kind of curious. Yeah, Apex up 392 for the night, or for last night and this morning. Just under yesterday's VWAP and weekly Globex VWAP. Well, if I look, I got the New York session. I got the two VWAPs I look at, 75.65 and a half and 75.54 on the ES. Which I have a video coming out probably on Saturday showing you guys how to set those up if you guys end up wanting to do that later on. No, look above and drop. I'm looking over here at the VWAP. Man, those trucks are so loud. No, we might hit VWAP today. It's still not out of the question yet. Last time we hit VWAP on the ES was at 10. But 1045-ish on the NASDAQ, it looks like. Maybe. Think market's tired? I know I'm tired. After the stream today, I'm going to take a nap. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to go back out surfing, but because I forgot the tides are going to be pretty good today, this afternoon, or should be. Now, I'm really debating on, should I just take this long on the NASDAQ? Yeah, I got to redraw. Let's redraw off these levels real quick. You see, look, here's that other look. All these zones were pre-drawn out. We drew these out yesterday. Even the day before. So we smashed some of these levels. So let's just go ahead and start over. Make sure I'm not just, FOMO and wanting to get into a trade. Let's make sure here. So we do have a little minus development area down here. So if we do pull back, this would be a logical area for me. So let's say 347 to about 364-ish. Right up in here. But look at these highs right up here, the overnight highs. So we maybe come up towards that, and we have not hit the P point yet either. I don't know. We're just like a slow grind up. Might take a shot on this NASDAQ here in a second. Thinking about it. We'll look and see if we're going to reject that. Screw it. Let's get in. All right, so I jumped into NASDAQ real quick. I'm going to get back. Oh, crap. You guys are on screen. Let's see if we can go back up here and take out this high real quick. Oh, you can see that high also right over here. Let's push up. Try to get. I don't really like that. We're right near the upper regression channel, but so I'm not going to extend my target out only because we're right here at the upper regression channel. I do need to adjust the trade detector bubbles as well. I'll wait till I'm out of this trade. Yeah, try and complete the measure move. I think we're gonna go back and test out last night's high. There we go. All right, first trade, first win. Let me go ahead and fix this indicator real quick. It's still in the last night's settings. So we're gonna bump this to 60. Yeah, let's go look at the ES real quick. ES is a hot mess. Hot mess. I'm going to bump this all the way to 150 on the ES. ES is still cooking right now. NASDAQ's still going up. So again, I'm not fighting it. I'm not fighting the markets. I'm trying to take it slow and steady. That big trade was the M&Q. It took me 2 days to hit target, though. But that was the trade that we put on stream, or I put on stream. And it smashed the targets last night or this morning. So let's see. I think we're coming right up to here. So here, we should probably go ahead and zone this area out as well. Right here, candle wick to the candle body from last night. See if we can make it up there. I do want to go check on the GEX levels too. Where are we at? Call resistance is way on up here. Let's see. So call resistance is going to be somewhere in the ballpark of 629-ish. Then we put support at 660. We have GEX2 coming in at 30,500. Look on the ES. ES, we have call resistance right up here too. It's probably trying to make it look. We had that double bottom. Bottom 1, bottom 2. Have we already completed the target on that though? Looks like it. Let's just see. Yeah, look, we completed the target at 75.91. Target completed on the ES. We do have this minus development area, but we've already auctioned through it. Well, it comes right off here. Oh, no, we haven't. That's the minus development area from yesterday. I drew out in yesterday's video. All right, let's see if we're going to make it up there or not. We're not that far away. Let's see. Can we make it up there? NASDAQ still ripping here a little bit. Be fantastical. Can't believe Dow's up 900 points. I was just over $1,000, Jerry. I closed it out a little bit early last night when we were coming down. It wasn't quite at the target. I closed out a little bit early. Yeah. But somewhere like just over $1,000 on that little 2 MNQs. I never had any more on it than 2. Hey, boss dog. Good evening. Good afternoon. My days run together. I can't keep track of what day it is, what time it is. I'm a hot mess. So far in this stream, 1 trade, 1 win. But again, I feel very, very calm and relaxed. I'm not all like stressing out. Ooh, got a great place to trade. So yeah, it wasn't far from our profit target. That's why I got out. So last night, if we actually look, let's zoom this out. Last night, if you look at when we spiked down here last night, ooh, I don't remember if I took it out here. Did I take it out over here? I don't know. I don't know. I think it started to bounce a little bit, and I was like, I got scared. I think it was over here where I got out of it. And I messed up. I went to get out of one, and then my stupid OCO order was on, and it messed up on me. Let me see if we can see that. Yeah, right there. So yeah, I went to enter another one. I was like, no. So that's where I got out of the 2 of them at. Because I put the OCO order on because it was on over there. So I got out right over here. I was trying it for 333, and I had my targets set at like 348 and something else. So we were getting close down there, and they started spiking. I was like, maybe we're gonna rip. And my plan was I was gonna short it again last night. I just never did. So I never reshorted it. But it was still a good trade. I'm still happy with it. That's where a majority of my profits came from last night. I think I took one or 2 other little scalps last night, and that was it. That was all the trading I did. I was walking around trying to find that company that has the e-foil surfboards that you can rent. I couldn't find it. So I wasted a lot of time doing that last night. So we shall see. Again, I still think we want to go towards that zone up there. Regression channel still sloping upward. So we shall see. That was a pretty good 9 count right there. That one, not so much. So let's see. Market seemed a little bit slow. They're in a good old slow grind. Any headline news today? I know we had the weekly employment numbers coming out. How'd they come in? I don't even have a clue. I wasn't worried about it. I was in the water, so had no trades on. Let's see. We came in at 225,000. Forecasted 214, previously 212. It's not really good. Not really good, so I'm surprised that we actually went up on that. And all of London and all that was up last night. So let's see. All right, am I back now? Hopefully I'm back now. I was having all kinds of good conversations. Man, you guys missed it. Hey, I just dropped the code. I verbally said the code for the Lucid account. So hopefully you guys were able to read my assistant's lips. Hey, I was getting a Bookmap set up and I muted the mic. I don't know how much I was going to fumble around it. Let out some cuss words, you stupid mother. So I don't know. What time is it? So it's 12:30-ish. Where you guys at? Hey, 44, what's up? What codes? Oh, the code for a free Lucid account. When my mic was muted, I gave it out. So it was a special code. No, I'm just joking. It was. I didn't drop the code yet. Yeah, I think we're going to do the duck race and do, winner one. Actually, I think what we're going to do, because somebody suggested this yesterday, I think we're going to do the first winner and the last place duck. So either you want to, feed your duck a bunch of Fritos and some junk food so it's all the way in the back, or you want it lean, mean, and swim in a machine. So we're going to try to give away 2 Lucid accounts today as well. So the first place and the last place. So say if you're not first, you're last. So we're not talking about second place. We're talking about the last duck. So yours is fatty. So we'll see here. This market is moving slow. How was the speed around the open this morning? Was it zinging around pretty good? Let's go look. Man, look at that double bottom too. Might be a little bit nervous with all that delta. Then look, double bottom, then you have a little ABC pattern right here. Hindsight, that looks easy. I don't know if I would have taken it or not, but this morning was perfect for you. Nice. This morning was perfect in the water for me. Then it got tides changed. It got pretty darn heavy. Paddle got pretty brutal when those tides changed this morning. Waves were breaking top to bottom. Thankfully, they weren't too big. Probably only 7 foot. I'm debating on taking a swing at this again. But the regression channel is still sloping upward. Let's see if we can get it. Can we do it? Can we do it? Center regression channel is at 473. So maybe move that up just a little bit more. I'm going to front run that center regression channel right here. By quite a bit. Now it's at 75. I'm not going to chase it all the way up. Keep my finger. Yeah, we're going to see. I actually put an offer in. But we'll see. I don't know if they're going to go for it. Come on, a little bit more. Come on. Come on. I'll move my stop loss up. I'm just going to close it. I don't want to take a chance of it coming back. I'd rather make sure I secure the bag. So I do think we're going to the center regression channel, but I don't want to overstay my welcome. We're always firm with a point stop loss. Well, that's what I'm willing to risk on that trade. Maximum I want to risk. If I get a bad fill, I don't move it because it'll get into a slippery slope. And believe it or not, before I was streaming, even when I first started streaming, I used to move my stop loss. One bad day on streaming, I said, going. So I'm never doing that again. So if it wasn't for the stream, it wasn't a $4,000 loss. I've had bigger losing days than that. Actually, just doing that, everybody just sucked. I said, I don't like the way that feels, so I'm just gonna stop. And I did. From that point on, I really worked on my stop loss. So if it wasn't for the stream, I'd probably still be staying. I should still be up there. Mike should still be good. Yes, pushing up here a little bit. Yes, now at 23. Oh, it's all good. All right. So look, if we start coming back down, I may go ahead and try to front run this potential ABC pattern. If we go much higher, then still that one down 158. Now, has there been any news? I'm gonna go look at Financial Juice real quick. Where's the juice? Israel military sirens sounded in northern Israel as Hezbollah launches several rockets towards IDF soldiers operating in southern Lebanon. Huh. I'm just looking. Scrolling through, seeing what I missed this morning. I don't see any red folders. Check my internet. Well, hopefully it doesn't kick me off when I do this, but let's see. Mr. Speed Test. Let's see what the speed test tells me. Yeah, it seems to be all right. We're gonna see. Download speed's a little bit weak, but I don't need to download. I need to upload for the stream. It's a little bit weaker today. Still over 100 on the upload. Oh, Jesse, you missed it. We gave away $1 million of imaginary money that you can spend anywhere that accepts it. Audio is breaking. I wonder if it's clipping. Let me go see something real quick. Let me see. Testing. Oops. Testing. Test. I don't know. It looks fine on my end, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's a problem with me. It's clear for you? Oh, garbled internet? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. 1 million. That'd still be a lot of money. 1 million Costa Rica colones would still be quite a bit. It's like 400 and something colones for $1. So that'd still be quite a bit. Oh, you know what? My charts stopped moving. They did that thing again. All right. Let's see which one's doing it. Oh, there you go. Oh. I'm disconnected from each one by one and see when they come back. Oh, that's weird. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, we're done. Oh, man. Ninja. All right, can you guys see me now? I forgot. I don't think you guys can hear me when I have the warning screen up. I don't think you guys can hear me then. So the warning screen up, I was talking to you guys, or at least I thought I was. If I can't get everything back, we'll just simply call it. We'll see. Raj can hear me loud and clear. Hey, Raj, I think there really is a problem though. I gotta wait for my one chart to boot up. This chart freaking takes forever. This one right here, until that one boots up, I can't do anything. So hopefully on the new update, which I'm going to install here short. I'm probably going to install it over the weekend. Yeah, be right back. Something broke. Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact. I mean, good news is I don't think the market's moving very fast at the moment. We do have a 9 count up here on the NASDAQ. We'll see once it updates. Yeah, if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the like button. And we're having a chance for, oh, you know what? I do have a problem. Or we's gonna have a problem. That might be part of the problem. I don't have the laptop plugged in. The battery's almost dead. The guys got to bear with me. It needs more juice. Maybe that was causing some of the audio to cut out. Could have been. Still waiting for the screen to. Oh, there we go. There. Oh. Started the little turn down. Yeah, that's what I think happened. I think it wasn't plugged in. That makes the most sense. Doesn't mean that's the right answer, but there's a yeah, finish connecting. Just in case I want to take a prop trade. Okay. Yeah. Just trying to reorganize my screens. I really should have created a whole new workspace, but coulda, woulda, shoulda. That would have been smart. All right. Oh, nice. You got the Apex account that was blown. Oh, down $70 in it. Hey, but at least it's not blown. You still got a chance. There's still a chance. So that's good. Why is this chart just calculating over here? That's not good. And the problem will be if I ended up, if I need to reset my computer, we are done. I won't be able to get it back on. I'm not liking the fact that this chart over here is just still calculating. So we'll see. In the meantime, what I'm looking at Bookmap, at least that's still moving. All right, I think the chart's just booted up. Now, I'm booting up slowly. All right, ES looks like it's getting ready to take out the highs. Hey, what's up? Chart's just stuck. All right, chart's not moving. The bid ask is moving. Chart's not moving. What about my ES charts? Yeah, my ES charts are frozen too. That's not good. That is not good. Yeah, it stopped right now. I think I connected to all the data feeds too quick. No, I connected to the data feeds too quick. So this isn't moving right now. I went to go back to the 4-hour chart. That 4-hour chart hangs things up quite a bit. I don't know why, but it does. So NASDAQ won't move until this chart populates. Nah, this normally, usually doesn't take this long. We'll see. The good news is, at least I'm not in a trade. I've already fired off 2 trades, 2 wins. So thankfully that happened before all this mess. I really think I need to restart my computer at home. But if I restart the computer at home, we're going to be done. I won't be able to get back on. Hey, there we go. So look, that chart repopulates. Now we should be good. I don't know why this chart takes so long to load. Since one of the NinjaTrader updates, it started taking forever to load. So we good now. Now I do need to go ahead and rechange these bubbles again. Trade detector. So you just gotta be patient. It's a lot easier to be patient when you're not in a trade, but and look, we're almost in that area that we drew out already too. An area we drew out above us. We're almost there on the ES. Right there. It's getting it. It's trying to get it. That minus development area from yesterday. It's almost 1 o'clock now. Yeah, I trade divergences. I really like trading the divergence with the delta indicator down here. I'll trade MACD divergence and stuff too. Yeah, they're just trying to rip this thing. They're just trying to rip it. Rip it real good. So I'm trying to go over there and look at Bookmap. We do have a little bit of liquidity, it looks like. 30,500-ish. 492 to 500 on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's only down 140 now. Just keeps grinding up. Yeah, hey, Boss Dog, I have 64 gigs of RAM in this computer. Hey, Appley Boy, good afternoon. So, I would think that wouldn't be the issue, but who knows? All right, yes, it's approaching our level. Right there. Yeah, I agree with that, Boss Dog. I don't know why they don't. I don't know why they do not. Don't make no sense. I'm not hearing any chirps now. I do have the chirps. Well, let me just make sure. Let me just make sure that I don't have that sound turned off. No, it's turned on. We just don't hear it yet. It's not going up quick enough. No, hey, Eric. The computer at home is on the hotel node. The computer I'm streaming from is not on the hotel node. But, I still think we're going to probably pop up a little bit more. I don't think we're done going up yet. Question is, do I want to get involved and take another long? That's the $1 million question. I don't know. Oh, hey, Thomas, I'm by the water. So let's see. And I can literally look out my window and see the water. So very, very close. Let's see. ES still pumping. You know, ES to get into that minus development area from the prior day. Let's see if the ES ends up getting a rejection from there or not. We look right here. Where's the 1 day? I got the 1 day max on the ES at 76.30. On the NASDAQ, the 1 day max is, wow, way up there. Holy smokes. They're not playing with that. All the way up here at 31,000, 27-ish. GEX1's right here, right around 31,000. Yeah, that'd be crazy if we make it all the way up there. That'd be nuts. Yeah, ES closing on second deviation band. Hey, Raj, I already have it at the second deviation band on my charts. NASDAQ's about halfway to it. Gotta be careful because I was like, ooh, maybe I could take a little short here. And I don't know that I want to be short yet. I don't know that I want to be short. Oh, you were asking. Oh, my bad, Raj. My bad. Because we still have the regression channel sloping upward. But if you do look, it looks a little bit tired. Look at the delta right here. You can see the delta is making smaller and smaller peaks. So has plugging in the laptop helped out the audio at all, guys and gals? Look out below. I don't know. I don't think we're having a big dump. That was like way too much. Dow and the Russell. I just don't see it happening. Yeah, no more audio issues. All right. So good thing I looked down there at the little battery, and I was like, why is the battery low? It's plugged in. And I was like, oh, it's not plugged in. I feel like I could get a little short out of this, but I don't think that's the higher probability trade. So I think I'd rather wait. Rather wait and see if we actually get a turn, and then look to play it on the way back down. Is how I'm going to try to position it. So next Friday, we'll start looking at the volumes to see when we want to roll over our contract. Oh, hey, Boss Dog, thanks for the feedback. Appreciate it. Yeah, dive, dive. And look, right near the zone that we had mapped out. Oh, that's not the right zone. It didn't save it. Dang it. When it crashed. I was thinking we were by the zone we identified. It was not. We saw a little bit further to go. If we look at this candle on the 30-minute, though, this could be a little hanging man candle. It's the weakest of all reversal patterns. Do we come back down and break the low of it? If we do that, we'll confirm it. Then maybe get a pullback down towards this other minus development area down below us. All right, this would be my target if we do start to pull back. So 48-ish to 63, somewhere in this area, will be my target to the downside, to the upside, playing off candle body to the candle high from last night. Well, mine's seeing a little push down, push it real good. Yeah, a few days before the rollover date. Yeah, I usually watch the volume. Usually I'll do it Friday after I'm done closing, or after I'm done trading. I'll go ahead and roll it over. So even if the volumes didn't flip totally by Sunday night, I'll usually go ahead and roll it over just in case I put on a longer position where I'm looking for a bigger move. I don't have to worry about contract rollover and stuff. All right, look, bouncing right off that lower regression channel on the 1 minute. Little double bottom. Look at the delta. That second swipe down here, delta was not nearly to the downside as the previous one. Raj saying opening range target. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Hey, good morning. Hello, Spaces. What's up? Hopefully everybody out there is having a good trading day out there. Good day in general. Still not convinced yet. After hitting daily target, shut your computer off and run away. Go do anything but look at the charts. That way you're not tempted. Or at minimum, lock the account out. If you're trading with a firm that has an Ninja Trader prop, use the lockout button so you can't give it back. You can still practice and sim if you want, but you can't get back the profits because you've locked the account out. You like shorts here? I don't know yet. I'm on the fence. I'm open to the idea of looking for shorts, but I'm not sure yet. Not sure if I'm going to swing at it. Want to smack it. Bam. Kind of big rip up. Yeah, that's nice. Hey, but here's the thing though. Sometimes, you'll think the next time you'll be like, oh yeah, last time I broke my rule. I got my daily goal and I just kept trading and turned out fantastic. The next time you might lose everything. Up against the ceiling, sent me a chart. Let's see T-Cube's chart. Let's go look. Let's go looky. Oh yeah. SPX kind of stuck up here then, possibly. Eric, you can do it on P&L settings. I do have a video about that. You can, but it's per account. And you can go back in and override it. The lockout feature they have now, you can't, once it's locked out, you're done until that time period is up. I can't tell you how many people have given me feedback on that feature. It said it's really helped their trading. Hey, Mike, today I completed the process for giveaway, but I don't receive confirmation mail. What do you mean you completed the process for the giveaway? We haven't given away any accounts yet today. If you're talking about signing up to the email list, it'll be in the spam. A lot of times it'll go to the spam folder for the confirmation email. Tyler, we're trying to. Let's see if we come down and break that regression channel. We may. Yesterday I had no losing trades. Let's see if we can do that again today. Now that I say it, I just jinxed myself. Just don't know if I want to swing at the shot. I've already taken 2 trades so far on stream. And I can just be patient. I don't have to hurry up and place a trade. That's the beautiful thing about it. I do want to check something real quick. Non-related. Just want to go look at the waves. Yeah, I know, Eric. I probably messed up on that one. They're going to make me pay. I know. I thought about that. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, 5 to 7 foot. That's not bad. Woo. See, building to 8 to 10 foot again. Oh boy. All right. Wall Street's coming back from vacation. Mentor Q. Hey, maybe talk about Mentor Q. Oh, hey, who's? I wonder if they're in here. I can't pronounce their name. It starts with an E. You sent me about your payout with Perdia. Okay. I don't reply back. Remember I told you guys I wasn't hungry? Oh boy. I'm starting to get a little hungry now. All right. Yeah, M&Q can get some big moves. No doubt about that. But you gotta also remember those, it goes both ways. All right, yes, we're gonna see if the ES could be able to break through that minus development area or not. So look, I'm glad I didn't take that short. I said I wasn't quite convinced yet on that short. So, hey, now on that pump, did you guys hear any Bookmap sounds? I can't hear it. So, did you guys hear any Bookmap sounds? Any chirping? Nope. All right. I don't know if there would have been or not. I have no idea. Oh, you know what I can do? Ha! I got a way. I can't hear it. But I might have a way to see it. There we go. Let me take this little guy. Move it over here. Over here. All right, so now I'll at least be able to see. So I have to look at the meter to see if we start getting it. I can't hear it. So I don't see it above 80 right now. So we might not, it might not have been fast enough move. I must be missing something. What's Jesse talking about? I was missing it. You see it's still to the positive side on the market pulse. Oh, 3 trades, 1 win, 1 loser, 2 winners. Hello, Nightbot. Oh, you guys cracked me up with that. Hello, Nightbot. How are you doing? Nice to meet you. Don't forget about me. So we're still trying to break up. Trying to break up here. We're sitting up here at session highs on the ES. ES is going in, 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 going. It be going. We're still not at the second deviation band yet on the NASDAQ. Not yet. We are riding it on the ES. The second deviation band's at 531. Thanks for sharing that, Raj. Dow's pulled back a little bit. Dow's only up 800 now. Was up 9. Man, it's tempted me. It's tempted me to want to take a short. I'm like, ooh, I should smack it. But I'm like, I got to remember, I tempted the trading gods. Told them I haven't had a losing trade yesterday or today. It's going to come back and get revenge. So, I don't see any bear flag on the charts I have up. Yes, trying to pull back here a little bit. Yeah, still haven't seen the meter go below 81 yet. Or above 81. Yeah, 750 points. The futures, when I first jumped on the string boss dog, was up 900 and something. So the futures pulled back a little bit in the Dow. Shows up 800 or something right now. Yeah, Dow futures, up 794, 793. So Dow seems to be coming down here just a bit. Let's go look at this. If you look at, I'll look at diamonds real quick. Then we'll look at YM. Yeah, look, you see diamonds starting to turn down here a little bit. So now people that jumped into Dow are like, all right, let's get back in this NASDAQ now. They beat the NASDAQ up enough. XLK is the only sector in the red. So XLF is up today, which is kind of good. It's been a little bit weak. Big gap up on that. Bonds. How's the 10-year? 10-year down a little bit today. VIX is down today, 62 cents. VIX is down here at session lows. Gold's dumping. Let's go look. Yeah, gold's trying to pull back here a little bit. Well, hey, so normally once we get past, if we gap on Sunday night, we don't fill the gap by Thursday's close. Usually it's a few weeks before we come back and fill it. I did go for it last night. I'm glad I closed out that trade before I went surfing this morning. That would have been horrendous. I don't know, man. I'm tempted on this. I'm tempted on that NASDAQ. Take a little short. You want to short at the bottom? All right, I just jumped in this. I FOMO'd in this. The market's going to make me pay. It's going to make me pay. You son of a gun. I was watching it. I was like, all right, go. 469 is the lower regression channel. So I'll just front run that a little bit. See if we can make it down here towards that regression channel. Hey, what's up? Les, what's up? This might be my first loser. Come on, break it. Break it. Do it. Do it. I like that this is potentially a higher low than over here. All right, there we go. There we goes. There we goes. Let's get it. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Please. Please. No, no, no. A little bit more down. Uh-oh. That was short-lived. Pull the cord. Come on, a little bit more. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's 3 trades so far today. 3 trades, 3 wins. I'm liking this. I'm liking it. Hey, good thing I exited when I did. When it came right back up, I would have been break even, maybe down a little bit. So good thing I exited the trade. Now, I haven't been taking as many trades as I normally do. So, I mean, that's probably helping out a little bit as well. Yes, it's still hanging up here near that minus development area. So. Let's see. Dow's back up over 800, 816 at the moment. Dow futures. And look, we spiked out. We almost made the lower regression channel, but not quite. And look, right back up. Right back up. Create your own avatar with voice. The avatar actually has a voice on it. He's saying things. I just have it muted. But I'll check that out, Raj. So I was going to change it. I was going to take a video clip of one of the streams, size it out, and put me in there. See me talk about it. What happened to all the audio? See you talking, but what's going on? Oh, take your pick in real time and create it? Oh, man. Nice. I just looked down. I was like, oh, it's 11:20. We got a lot of time left. It's really 1:20. And I'm probably not going to trade tonight, only because I don't want to be stuck, or at least I won't be trading the prop accounts tonight. Unless I see something really juicy, I have to get in. So, but as I'm not planning on trading the props tonight at all. Let's see, is the ES pushing above it yet? Not yet. ES is kind of getting held up here at that minus development area from the prior day. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, all right. Let's see. All right. It fixed flaws nicely. Yeah, we saw the regression channel sloping upward, just a slow grind going up. So again, I can just be patient. Dow's now back below 800, up 775 for the day. So I'm just gonna be patient. Oh, this candle's gonna close here in about 37 minutes. Same thing with ES. ES has went up pretty darn good though. Let's look at the retracement from the high down to this low right here. So if we start getting above 7609, I will not be looking for a ABC pattern down. So they call it a bearish flag, right? Hey Jerry, what's a bearish flag? Uh-oh, you lost me, Raj? Maybe I might have the thing muted. Let's see. No, it should be good. A bearish flag would be like a straight leg down and then a consolidation. Trying to push back up. Oh, they push ES and everything up. Hey, does anybody have earnings after the bell today? Any big earnings after the bell that anybody's aware of? And I really don't know. That's why I'm asking. Not sure if you guys know or not. Qualcomm, 280. Shall I call by? No. Yeah, AVGO got smacked today. It's down pretty big. I want to see if we actually hear the Bookmap sounds here in a moment. I'm watching this meter to see, do we get above 81? Do we get above it? All right, are you guys hearing any sounds? Announcement on coal at 3 o'clock. Oh boy. No sounds. Interesting. I wonder if. Come on. Oh, that's why. I wonder how that got changed. You guys should now. All right, you guys should be able to hear it now when it shows up. I had a mess up on my part. I guess when I was messing with the audio sources, I messed it up. I had it pulling from the wrong thing, so you guys should be able to hear it now. Well, as soon as we go back above 81, let's see. Let's see, just push it. You hear the chirping sound? Yeah, duck race today. So for this time, we're going to pay out 2 spots. Spot number 1 and the last place. As long as we can see that on the leaderboard, we're going to pay out last place. If not, if we can't see last duck, which I think we can, but if we can't, then we'll pay out the top 2. Lulu after the close. The last place, now you win. No, now you probably beat just one person. All right, yes, still trying to push. Short the yet or the NQ yet. Oh, hey, Rapid, good job. I'll show you guys, but I can't bring that into the stream, but Rapid's up 3K today. Nice. Just sent me a screenshot. That is awesome. Good deal. All right, short term, we did get to be overbought. You see the red background. I need to watch this meter. I want to see if we get it. Are you guys hearing any Bookmap sounds? You still didn't hear it. Huh. All right, so I don't know what's going on. I guess we're not going to be able to hear the sounds. Try one more time. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. That is weird. So we're going to be coming up on the NASDAQ on that second deviation band. ES is just riding the second deviation band as we keep going higher at the moment. Put on maintenance again. Michael Burry still waiting. Oh, Jesse's over there talking to yourself. Hey, Jesse, I didn't know you're on. I don't think I have it turned on. Hold on. What do I have to do? All right, let's see if we can do this. Let's see if they can hear you now, Jesse.
Hello.
Yeah, they should be able to hear you. I can hear you.
Sweet. What's up, everybody?
How'd you end up doing today, Jesse?
Today I did great.
Great.
Last night, not so good.
Last night, what?
Not so good.
What is not so good?
Okay, hold on a second. We just had a big sell ice on ES, 589. Woo!
Still going higher.
758.
Yeah, I hear the chirps. I hear Bookmap. Hmm.
785. Question is that profit takers or are they trying to get short? I don't know.
We're just going higher. Just assume going higher. Markets only go up. It was a fake out. We got them thinking we're going to go down. We're not going down.
Yeah, the spot gamma hero is up at 1.6 billion positive number. So they're trying to push.
How low was it today?
The low was down the negative 2 billion-ish.
Oh, that's not crazy, though. Yeah, it's Jesse speaking.
Yeah, right around negative 2 billion.
So what happened to you last night?
Oh, yeah. Long story. Jeez, it's depressing.
We got a lot of time. I think we got a lot of time.
Well,
was it that bad?
Yeah, it's a good story to tell. Just so, it's like everybody needs to know this kind of stuff happens to all of us. Like, we're all idiots sometimes, Jeez. So let me get a drink of water. Hold on.
Sorry, they're trying to come in and clean the room.
Oh, yeah?
I was like, no.
Let's see. Okay, so last night. So I don't know how many of you guys have been following along, but last week I had some pretty good payouts. I think, Mike, you were talking about that back when you were still in Florida and we were able to show our report cards. But I went ahead and what day was that? Wednesday night last week? I think it was Wednesday night. I got stupid. I was overconfident. I was like, oh, I got all kinds of drawdown. Moved my stops, added, moved a stop, added, and before you knew it, I blew those accounts up. So I had 5 funded accounts.
Last night?
No. This was last week. So
okay.
I'm giving everybody the backstory.
Okay.
Tilted, blew them up, and then spent Thursday, Friday. No. I took Thursday, Friday off. I was so mad at myself, right? That's pretty depressing when something like that happens. Plus, I was not in the right frame of mind to be trading again. So at least prop accounts. So sim traded those 2 days, got back in the game Monday. What's today? Today's Thursday? All right. So I just had 3 big days. I was up $7,900 in these 5 TPT evals. So it only needed to flip them for small profits a couple more days and they were all passed again. But last night I did something stupid and set myself back another 3 days. So
what was the stupid thing?
Moving stops and adding, and I did not believe it was going to keep flushing down on me last night as far as it went. I just couldn't believe it. It just kept going and going and going. I was like, are you kidding me? So overconfidence. And for me, I don't know about you guys, but this happens to me after I pass accounts or after I get payouts. Like, oh my goodness, you got to stay humble. That's the problem. You got to find a way to stay humble. Otherwise, this thing that we all love will just
That's
beat
why I
us
talk
up.
about too why I don't like having my win-loss ratio too high. Because if it gets too high, I get overconfident. If I can keep it, mid 60s, low 70s, I'm taking enough losing trades where it keeps me, hey, I got to be careful. It could be another losing trade coming up. I feel like I do a much better than if it just, I win too much in a row. It's just
100%.
bad.
100%. A lot of people talk about win-loss ratios from a P&L perspective, but that's an important point. The win-loss ratio, the lower it is, if you're still green, is actually better for your mentality because it doesn't let you get caught up in that overconfident mode.
Yeah, so that institutional trader that is at the surf camp, he said his win-loss ratio is in the low 30s. I was like, I don't know how you do it. I could not do it. I could not trade like that. He goes, well, my winners are way bigger. I was like, I can't do it. I don't care. Even if I would make more money, I physically would not be able to do it. I need to win a little bit more than that.
Yeah.
Now maybe low 40s, mid 40s, I could probably swing that a little bit, but low 30s, I can't do that.
Yeah, mine's where I feel most comfortable, I think, is around the 60%-ish, I think. But again, even at that rate, I get overconfident and, like last night, like especially during Asia, because it'll just kind of like, I don't know, it'll lull you into believing, oh, there's no way it's going to drop, 100 points. It's like, it's Asia. And then before you know it, you're like down, add, like, geez. Bad habits.
Yeah, when you say there's no way, it's market's like, oh yeah, watch this.
Uh-huh. Yep. So
I thought I was in that NASDAQ in that zone, but I didn't take it.
Yeah, that would have been a nice little scalp.
Yeah, I thought about it, but I was like, I want to find something a little bit better. More gooder.
Yeah. So, all right. So I bought those so I spent $1,000 buying those new accounts on Monday or whenever that was, traded them for a few days, was really proud of my results. And then I had to reset them all this morning. So good news, I guess, the good news is that I killed it today. I mean, I was just seeing the market perfectly today, followed the rules, didn't do anything stupid. So I'm back on track, but it's just depressing. So
I almost got killed today. I bounced off a rock on the bottom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if it would have been probably another 6 inches, it would have been my head, but it was like my shoulder and my back.
Well,
and it power drive me right into it, just plowed me. Like it was pretty gnarly.
I think I'd rather lose a couple evals than live through that. So
yeah,
I guess I can't complain too much.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't get hurt. I was just like, oh crap! I was that close to the rock that was underwater. I mean, I knew it was there, but the current's just moving quite a bit.
A couple people saying hi in the chat. Epic Futures remembers Jesse. All right, what's up, Epic? Captain Rex. Yeah, good to see you guys.
Hey, I still haven't made it through that whole series yet, Jesse. I get like 5 minutes in. I woke up sometime last night on one of the episodes, and the cops were talking something, and I fell right back to sleep. I don't even know. It was something crazy, but I don't even know.
Oh, it's unbelievable, this story. So if anybody's wondering, so there's a series on Netflix. It's like a mini series. It's a true story, crazy, and it happens close to me out here where I live. It's called American Nightmare. Some of you may have already seen it, but it's just unbelievable what this boyfriend and girlfriend went through. Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's nuts.
So if you're into true crime and law enforcement type stuff and investigations, this is a good one.
I don't know. Next Fed meeting is what? 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Yeah, there's a bunch of them talking today.
No, Fed meeting.
Yeah, I know. It just reminded me that they're all yapping right now.
Oh, we did this. Let's see. I know it's 17th.
Why did
it's on the 17th.
Hey,
it's on the 17th.
My financial juice just jumped to June 12th. Let me refresh it. Okay, now it's back to normal. That's weird. It wouldn't let me scroll. Huh.
Is it just
17.
like SWAT? Yeah, I'm dropping code. I don't know if I'm dropping. We're doing a duck race today.
Okay, a couple weeks.
We're doing a duck race. So let me say it again. If you want a chance to win, you got to be signed up to the email list. Your email must be confirmed. Otherwise, you will forfeit. So it's only 1:40 now. We got a little bit of time before we do the giveaway.
Yeah, so after you sign up for the email list that's in the description down below, right? You sign up, the system automatically emails you back, making sure you click the link and confirm that you indeed own that email address. That part is crucial.
Cheap.
Jerry, no, it's not like SWAT. It's about an abduction. This poor woman gets abducted.
Poor woman. What about the poor guy?
And wow, dude. So the woman gets abducted, and then the police, I don't want to give away the whole series because it's really intense. It's really good. But the local police and even the FBI ended up getting involved, and everybody thought he killed her, and they were just, all their focus was on him. They didn't even try to like go find her, or, you know, they thought it was a hoax. And
where's she at?
Yeah. And this poor couple, they got put through hell all over social media, all over the news, on TV, and like, it's just crazy what they had to go through.
Oh, Jose, that micro trade was closed out last night. Yeah, I closed it out. Maybe right around $1,000 on it. I think it was just over. And the NASDAQ, I could have got more out of that too, because the NASDAQ was low on the NASDAQ.
Yeah, it came all the way down to
yeah, 151. Jeez.
Yeah, they went and took out the low from the 29th even.
Yeah, I could have got more, but I wasn't trying to be greedy with it.
No, that was a good trade, man. You know, it's like, I don't know. Hey guys, Mike, just so you guys know, Mike and I talk pretty much every day. We trade together after when he's done with the stream, we're trading together. Usually in the evenings, we check in, make sure neither one of us is being an idiot. But last night, for whatever reason, I didn't call Mike. Mike didn't call me, and I blew everything.
I was walking around looking for that place where I can find the e-foil to go rent it. I want to go ride it. I can't find the place.
Yeah.
So I was out walking around last night trying to find it. After I already took my profits on that trade.
I mean, all I needed was a reminder that you were sitting in that short waiting for that level, and I probably wouldn't have been trying to get long. My fault. I forgot all about it.
That is what it is. I mean, we all have bad trades.
I should have drawn.
I got my share of bad trades.
I know. I should draw those zones on my side. That was a minus development area, right? On the weekly?
No, it was right here off the 4 hour. On the 4 hours, going back to these candle bodies right here.
Oh.
Just a small little pullback down to there. And I really thought that we'd probably hit value area high because that's 2 weeks back to back. We closed outside of value area high.
Oh, yeah,
so
it did get. Yeah, but it did go into that minus development area from last week. Look at that.
Yeah, no, yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So had I
wasn't going for that whole move.
Yeah. Had I drawn that zone though on my charts, I would have been able to avoid that. Darn it. Ugh.
Hey Frank, I did not ask the locals because when I was walking around last night, they all kept trying to sell me weed. You moke? Hey buddy, you moke? No, I'm good. None of them have asked me for the white powder stuff yet, so they've only tried to get me to smoke. I know where the place is. I've seen the place before, so I was convinced, oh, this is where it's at. So I walked down, got an ice cream, and kept walking. I'm like, what the heck is going on here? How can I not find it? I've seen this place 1,000,001 times.
Hey, NQ's about to push the high right here.
Yeah. That's why I haven't shorted it. Again, we're so close to high of the day.
Okay, crude is down at its low of the session. VIX is down. The VIX one day is up though. Let's see.
Bitcoin bottom this month.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, I got lower targets still in Bitcoin. I want to see lower prices still. Let's see where that's at.
Interesting.
Let's go look at Bitcoin. Mr. Bitcoin. Let's go over and look at the weekly. Here's a weekly. I don't think we smashed it yet. Yeah, look, we have ABC targets. Look, we have another one too. So we have two ABC targets in Bitcoin. One at 51,807. Another one at 45,082. 45,000, yeah, 82. So right up here in that zone, looks like a nice juicy target for Bitcoin. Yeah, Jesse's also speaking.
Hey, Coop, are you still in here?
Yeah, he sent me a chart. I wish I could have shared, but it's kind of hard for me to do that at the moment. Oh, here comes the high of the day.
Yeah, they're pushing.
Are they pushing the ES too? Yeah, ES. ES almost hit R1. A little bit of wick on the ES at the moment. So maybe if we push that high, maybe I'll take a little swing at it.
What's up, Horizon? Good to see you too. Hey, Ben, what's up? I don't like what I'm seeing on the VIX one day so I don't know if I trust ES way up here like this because the VIX one day has been
yeah. We're at the second deviation band on the View app too.
Yeah, the VIX one day has been ripping ever since 12, like just ripping.
I blew up the Pro 150 on Monday. Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, I blew up all of mine, Ben. Gee, I know how it feels. I'm starting over.
I always say it's better the second time around.
Well, this ain't the second time around. This is the 170th time around.
Well, it's got to be better at 200.
3 payouts on it for 3,200. All right, that's good though, Ben.
Yeah, get payout. At least if you blow up and you've already taken some money out, that makes you feel a lot better because now you recoup some of the money you've spent, or all of it plus some.
Yeah,
that's always a beautiful thing when that happens, when that occurs. Versus blowing it up, don't get any money out. That stinks. Yeah, we just barely missed the high of the day. So close to the green line, I think it's gonna hit it.
Yeah, the volume's picking up here. It's trying.
And TLL. I can't tell you how many times I've hit the DLL and then went on to pass the account or went on to get a payout with some of the prop firms.
Yeah, I mean, I used to, back when prop firms used to have, well, back when I used to trade accounts that had that, I used to get so mad, but then ultimately, it's good for, I think it's good for me.
Raj says, all eyes on 2 p.m. opening. We got about 12 minutes. I think we're going to bust that high. I thought about going long down there at that lower, that's the 200 EMA, but I didn't do it. Trying to be more selective. Plus, I tempted the market makers to take some money from me. Cooperation in the nuclear sector. I don't know. The giveaway is going to be at some point. I don't have an exact time for it. Yeah, I don't know why the sound's not going through. I don't know. I had Bookmap up, but wasn't playing the sound. No data shown on charts.
Is that an IPO? I don't think I think the IPO you can't trade an IPO the first day, right? Doesn't it open to?
Oh, you can trade it. Usually you can trade it the first day. You see right from the open.
Maybe it's a private equity first thing or something like that. I don't know.
Oh, there goes that new high of the day. Bam. New high of the day on the NASDAQ.
Yeah, I got a red bubble right there too.
See, I didn't get one.
Got a large trade. Well, mine's probably set different. Let me see what's mine set.
Oh, yeah. ES pushing up higher.
Yeah, I got green bubbles on ES.
I gotta push it.
I'm set to 40 on the NQ.
Oh, that's why.
Okay, the VIX 1 day is starting to pull back a little bit here. All right. Uh-oh. But we're right at that 1 day max, the 0 DTE 1 day max. The intraday level. It moves around, so we're right there. What was I don't know what the static 1 day max was.
On the NASDAQ?
No, on ES.
Oh, yes. All the way up here at 76.30.
Okay, so 30 points higher.
Yeah.
So the intraday number has dropped down. We're at it right now.
Oh, we're still pushing here.
Yeah.
I almost just smacked it. I still may.
Old Wolf, good. Nice job. That's a nice trade off the VWAP all the way up here. Woo.
Yeah, good deal on that. Nice.
So the NDX 1 day max isn't the internal or the intraday 0 DTE stuff isn't till 592. No, 590. 590, Raj, if you care about that. I think it might try to hit that, which is right at that pivot point too. Interesting.
Trying to get a little pullback to 50 EMA. Come on down. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'll take it. I got out. It goes right to 50. Sorry. Still ended up being a win. Small win, but we got a little nervous. We might just squeeze. They might try to get NASDAQ green for the day. So 4 wins so far today.
Nice.
Oh, you sucker. It would have got it. That's all right. That's okay. No need to rush. Be patient. Yeah, and Q's just a little grind up. I mean, ES is popping too. He just had a pretty good move off that low. 75, 25, wow, 78 point range on the ES from low to the high. Get rid of that area on the NASDAQ.
So NQ is the only red indice right now out of the big 4.
Yep. That's how it's been ever since I've been on stream. Pretty bullish in the short term, yeah, kind of. Or we just keep going higher and higher. We have the jobs numbers coming out tomorrow. We'll see what that does.
Can you guys believe the YM?
It's only up 776.
Only.
It was up 900 when I came on, 9 something.
Yeah.
Russell's up 40. So.
Yeah, that's pretty good too.
Yeah.
Okay, the VIX one day trying to push back up now.
Let's see if we get a little pullback. You see right here on the 1 minute, we have some delta divergence. As we're pushing up higher, the delta just wasn't confirming it yet. Let's see. Is they gonna push it? Are they gonna be able to get the NASDAQ green? If we get down by that lower regression channel, I might look for a little long. If we get down around that regression channel, I maybe. We'll have to see.
Boy, I don't know if we're gonna get a pullback like that.
It's not that far.
We've got we got the QQQ volume volatility trigger right up here. This from Spot Gamma at 568.
I'll take another short. See that big delta spike on the Rinko?
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's what she said. Come on.
We've got that intraday 1 day max up there above us too, right at 590.
There we go. And we got a 9 count up here.
Nice.
Woo! Was that 4 or 5 trades for the day? I think it's 5.
5 for
trades,
5.
5 wins.
Let's go.
I think yesterday was 6 for 6 or something like that. 6 for 6. 7 for 7. I don't know. Something like that. Just taking time, picking my spots. Taking a swing. Thankfully, the market hasn't been swinging back. Oh, yeah. Trump speaks in 1 hour. Something about coal. They were saying. Make it look too easy. Yeah, it's not. I'm due for the market's going to get its payback. Don't worry. It's going to get its get back. It's just luring me in to do something really stupid so it can get me. It's keeping a tally. Man, look at the ES go too. It's on the 30. We've had a down kilo there. We're up to that 80-point move, just basically straight up off the low today, off that double bottom.
KTG bought that dip. Nice.
They're going to get the NASDAQ green. Just don't see how that does not happen. Dow's back up 820 or 810,
I mean, it's way green if we go by the futures close from yesterday instead of 4.
New session highs on the NASDAQ. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. The buyer's like, ooh, they gave us a buying opportunity. Let's get it. We's going to get it. The retail just throws money at calls. I have to go see out the window real quick.
So the spot gamma hero indicator is at 3.1 billion.
I still don't think that's a lot. 3.1 billion doesn't seem like all that much.
3.3 billion.
That's not much.
They're trying to pull the S&P up into this 7,600 is definitely the call wall for sure. So you add like 30 points, 25, 30 points for the ES. So that would be 76. We'll just call it 7630-ish.
That's what we were talking about earlier.
Yeah, they're trying to pull it up there.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
The scary thing though is that's well above the Mentor Q 1-day max on the intraday. So, and we got the VIX 1-day climbing up. So, I don't know. I'm nervous about this area up here. And then Trump talks in an hour, you guys said.
So what, full port short? But they want that NASDAQ green. That was loud. Let's go see. Are you still trading at all, Jesse?
I have not been. No, I don't want to go over the consistency rule. I did 41.95 on these 5 evals, so I'm gonna
I wouldn't do it. I was just curious.
Yeah.
The way you're quiet, it sounded like you're studying, like you're in a trade.
No, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the spot gamma stuff and also the Mentor Q stuff. Just trying to figure out. I don't know if I trust it. Oil's starting to push up a little bit. I don't know. Depending on what Trump says when he talks, this could reverse. I don't know.
We're about to get the best deal ever.
Well, that wouldn't cause a reversal. Total Dork, what's up?
Hey, what's up? What's up? Only down 50, 60. About to hit 59.
So 400 sell ice on the ES here.
That's not going down.
That's not up to my threshold. I like to see more than 500, but they're trying to sell.
I'm just gonna keep on pushing. I think you're gonna try to fill the gap on the Qs. Well, let's just see if they actually did yet. Let's see. Mr. Q. Yeah, look, Q's trying to go up there and fill the gap. We know gap downs love to get filled. We smashed the ABC target I talked about in last night's video. I'm going to remove that now. That's got smashed. Hey, Tordork, what's up? Yeah, what about NVIDIA right now? NVIDIA's up 2.47%. AVGO. Even AVGO is coming back up. PDT rule is done. Raj went away. Like, I thought they still made it where it's like $2,500 or something. VIX is down 70 cents. Oh boy.
It's weird because the VIX is, excuse me, the VIX is on a down candle right now, while the VIX 1-day is on an up candle. So,
We just keep plowing up higher. Only down 55 at the moment. Can't stop, won't stop. They said you can't get it. My stomach's making some funny noises.
It wants a chicken kebab.
She's not down there. I think it must just be on the weekends.
Mm.
I know. A little disappointed in that. I mean, I don't feel like I'm hungry, but maybe. As soon as I don't feel like I'm hungry, it just screamed at me. It's like, speak for yourself. Look, only down 47. It's gonna get it. We just got the ES up here, or the NASDAQ short-term overbought, but see the huge divergence we have on the Delta too. I just don't know I'm willing to swing at that. I don't know. Should I?
Horizon, good job. What do you talk about? Swinging long?
No, I think about shorting it.
Wait a minute. In the same sentence, you said it's going to get that. It's going to get the gap fill. I'm going to short it.
It is. But short term, we're overbought. I'm hoping it'll pull back to the EMAs. A little extended. Plus, I feel bad. I've been, winning. How the market makers going to feed their family? They don't get their payback.
Oh boy.
We're just above the upper aggression channel. They might get me on this one. Oh, so just go down and hit my target. Just quick.
There's a bunch of liquidity on NQ at 597 to 600 right in there. 170 something contracts.
I think I jumped in this trade a little bit early.
Yeah, it might spike that, or it might run away from it. I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Usually it run away and then it takes second or third attempt to get it.
Yeah.
I hope we hit that 50 EMA and that'll be enough to, or would have been enough to hit my target. Not now. Yeah, thought that. Thought I might be in trouble here. NASDAQ's only down 40 points. Come on down. Get it. A little bit more.
Yeah, this is a questionable area because we've got 37 buy ice and 35 sell ice. Like the big players are both buying and selling right here. Funny.
Let the sellers push it down a little bit.
It's going to be tough to overcome 172 contracts.
I'm only going for 5 points here. There we go. Bam.
There you go.
Bang. What was that? 7 for 7?
Yeah, I wish you guys could hear my Bookmap sounds because I've got the volume pressure one on, and boy, did it rip.
7 for 7. Woo. Feeling it.
Yeah, good one, dude. So now you go long, right? So now you go long.
No. Now I'm going to take a break. We'll let it play out for a little bit. That's been working out for me. Until I feel like I can't resist the urge anymore, then I'll take another trade. I know the market's it's going to give me a losing trade. It's coming. Kind of happy with the P&L where I'm at today, though.
I mean, I'm just looking at on my Renko bars. I run a really big bar, but I'm looking at the price action on the 2010 here, and we haven't taken any internal liquidity on any of this price action since way down here at 12:30. This is crazy.
Yeah, Jerry, that's right. I want to end the day green. Even if I have one loss, I'd still be green. The problem is one loss. Yeah, I'm probably gonna want to get it back, and that's when things get bad. I really think we're gonna probably fill the gap.
Yeah, like
So
my
for another short.
I was up. I failed to mention earlier. I was actually green $900 last night when all that stupidity came out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what makes it worse.
Ooh, that hurts.
Mm-hmm.
That does hurt. If you guys haven't checked out the video I dropped today, don't forget, you guys might want to, give it a little bit of love. Just saying. I think when I looked earlier, it didn't have very many views. Oh, yeah, it's horrible. Horrible. Almost came down to 200 trying to bounce back up.
Okay, the VIX and the VIX 1 day are now both trying to climb up just slightly.
So what are you saying? It's full port short?
Yep.
You feel bad for the market makers, so give them one last chance, double or nothing?
This is for entertainment purposes only, folks.
Double or nothing. Pick up the bat, swing and a miss. Dang it. I knew I shouldn't have done it. I think we're going to fill the gap on the Qs. I really do. I think the NQ is going to be green today. Or at least flash green at some point. Yeah, Jesse trade. Hey, we want to see you trade silver, Jesse. We need some real entertainment. Let's get silver on the board.
Sure. Why not?
Let's do it. What could go wrong?
Hold on, let me duplicate my NQ chart in a new tab and then change it. What's silver? SL?
SI?
SI?
Maybe? SL or SI? I can't remember which one of them. I've never traded it. Definitely not starting today. That'd be a big old loss. It would get me. Big, oh yeah. Now we got him. We got him feeling nice and greedy trying to trade silver. Smack.
It ain't really moving.
Oh, silver's not?
It's only moving
a little bit later in the day.
Yeah, it's only moving 6 ticks per minute.
So how bad could it hurt?
Oh, sure.
Man, they're going to get this NASDAQ green. I know it. We're going to fill the gap on the Qs. I'm just going to watch this thing drift up. It's a 445-point range so far. ES had 82.5-point range. Wow. Wowzers.
3.4 billion to the upside on the options flow.
Yeah, we got the jobs numbers coming out tomorrow, so we got to be careful there. If you guys are trading prop accounts, be well aware if they have a news rule, tier 1 news event rule. The prop trader normally emails us out beforehand, but other prop firms might not.
When is that? That's at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. Non-farm payroll.
Probably a good thing I'll be in the water. That'll stop me from trading tonight. Get anything crazy, any crazy trade. Unless I see something too juicy, then I'll look for a little scalp tonight. But I'm really hoping I stay away. At least from the prop accounts. So I might not even connect to the prop accounts tonight. Just to be safe.
Yeah, I might do the same.
That's a pretty good move we've had up since 320 last hour.
Yeah.
470 to 600. It's just been a slow grind.
And really, yeah, not a lot of resistance at all. I think the sellers are waiting for Trump to take the microphone.
I still got 45 minutes though. 45 minutes. They're scared and confused. Dow's back up only 770. Yeah, we're gonna do a duck race today, Sam. And let me say it again. If you want a chance to win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Your email must be confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit. So.
And sometimes the confirmation email might go into your junk or spam folder, so check that.
Yeah, check your junk. Man, the one guy in the camp, man, he has a nasty rash on his leg from the surfboard. Like it looks painful. Like
bad enough to where he might have to skip a session or two?
He says he's not going to, but I mean, it looks pretty jacked up. Yeah, Trump's always late. He's going to wait till 4. You're winning an account today? You might. We're going to try to do the first place winner, the first place duck, and the last place.
Oh, I was thinking about that earlier. I don't think it shows you the last place in the list. I don't think it shows you the full entire list. It only shows you the top, whatever, the top 5 or 10, I think.
Well, then if it does, that'll be the last person on the list.
But yeah.
It'll be the last person on the list.
The last one visible or whatever, right? Yeah.
We'll see. And they say you can scroll down the list.
Oh, okay.
If you click the icon. Hopefully it's last. I'd like to do first and last.
Yeah.
I think that'd be pretty cool.
What's up, Adam?
Such a kind man. Well, some people say they can't win, so let's see who can fight for the losing position. No, you go. No. Sorry, you go. No, you go. You go.
Yeah, I was thinking it might start dropping a bit up here. Remember, I was calling out that the VIX one day and the VIX both were starting to creep up.
Oh, thanks. So Ace says he just tested it. We can scroll all the way down. Nice. That's gonna be funny. The first place, you get an account. Last place, you're gonna get an account. Everybody else, try harder next time. So, well, Nightbot's going to pick out 10 winners. I'm going to pick out 5 people-ish out of the chat. I'm like right back up. See, they try to rip it down there. Whoop, right back up. They're not going to let it go down. They said, no. Not yet. Yes, it's right up here near session highs still. Hey, Nightbot might pick you. We'll see. I'm going to pick people that I see normally in the chat. Pick a dork. Hint, hint. Hey, total dork. I can't pick myself. How does the giveaway work? We're going to race them ducks and see who's the fastest and who's the slowest. We're going to give one out to each of them.
Are they 2 different account sizes, Mike?
I think so. 150K and 50K.
What do you think
as long
about?
as I have 150K left, I'm going to.
Yeah,
I got to
cool.
check. I haven't logged in yet. I'm starting to get that itch where I want to take a trade again.
Well, if you wanted to short it, this might be the spot. It's putting in a lower high here.
Oh, the average on the 1 minute chart on the left is just 21 period EMA.
Ooh, buyers stepping in. Aggressive buyers trying to buy it. Oh, they tried.
Yeah, they're going to fail.
Yeah.
Look, now we have little head and shoulders up here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I mean, it's small. But can it go down and hit targets? NVIDIA is not making a lower high.
Yeah, Ari, they are expensive. That's all I trade, though, the 150K. Yeah. They are expensive, that's for sure.
Wow, that was weird. Can everybody hear me again?
I can hear you.
Yeah, it said, not able to connect to the network. Think. I was like, that's weird. Well, tape off. Oh, yeah, Lucid does have payout caps. Tape off trader does not have payout caps. So if you don't like payout caps, take profit trader is probably the better solution. 150K accounts are nice because of the drawdown, but it does take a lot more to get to a payout. You have to make a lot more.
Yeah, you got to make 9K to pass, and then 4,500 buffer, and then start taking payouts. So that's a lot.
Yep. Yeah, TPT has the best payout policy, in my opinion. Let's see if they're going to get this baby going down. What's up? Get it. Get it. All right, yes, just made new session high. Let's see. Are we going to be able to get it down? Can they do it? Can they do it? Do it. Do it. Do it. We'll see. Close to wanting to take a short again. It was getting close. I went long today. I went short. All right, man. Maybe if we come up here towards these EMAs, maybe I can get convinced to take it.
I'm going to pull up my trade performance for today and see if it loads. I'm curious if I did any shorts. I don't think so, but let's see.
Yeah, I went long and short today.
What is today?
Yeah,
June 4th?
Hey, Raj, the yeses has just been right at second deviation band up all afternoon. Joker. She was going and going and going and going and going. Won't stop. Saying we can't stop it. You think it's going to revisit? Hey, Raj, think it's going to do it today? Revisit the daily open today? Where's that at? Hey, Raj, you're talking all the way down here at 453? That'd be pretty amazing if it did it. Wow. That'd be pretty special if it did it. Like, yeah, let's get it. Get it.
Okay, so my trades for today, 19 trades, 12 winners, 7 losers. My R to R is 1.75. Where does it show you longs versus? Oh, right there. Yeah, I had 8 longs and 11 shorts.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I think that breaks it up per contract though, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I only trade one contract at a time anyways, so that would
Oh,
be that should be the total number of trades.
oh, I guess I was thinking about when you said last night adding the movement stops.
Oh
I had
yeah,
that
no.
adding.
So here's what I do. Whenever I do stupid stuff like that, I don't want it to throw off my stats, so I reset the sim account. Oh boy. So average winner 498, average loser 284. So that's a 1.75. Not bad. I'll take it.
And what was the win-loss ratio with that stat?
Win-loss ratio is 63%.
No, it's not bad.
That's
good.
right around my average. But to what you were saying earlier, I've noticed it. If that percentage creeps up into the 70s, I'm too cocky. It's like a mental thing, right? It's not that I'm seeing that number because I rarely look at these stats. But when I get cocky and I blow some stuff up, I go back and look at the stats, and sure enough, my percentage was too high. Got overconfident.
Couldn't finish the race one day. I don't know, man. I still think this NASDAQ wants. I still think it wants it. Still think it wants to go higher.
Yeah, the volume, definitely. I'm hearing all my sounds on my end. The volume pressure is on long for sure. But
Well, we're just gonna keep ripping.
There's 190, 200 contracts right here above us, though. That's a wall of contracts for sale on the NQ. No more Feds talking or anything. So there's nothing on financial juice until some Japanese news later tonight. Well, until Trump makes that announcement on coal, I guess. I shouldn't skip that. They've got it colored in, it's a blue dot, but we all know that could turn into a red dot real quick if he gets off topic.
Yeah, it could.
Yeah, oil just spiked. Wow, look at that. Oil CL's going. Wow, what happened?
What do you mean it's going?
It just ripped. I got mine's on a 15-minute candle and it just
friggin'. I'm not sure I believe this yet.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I'm believing you're ripped.
Well, the low of the candle was 91. It just ripped up to 93.
Yeah, that's pretty decent. We're getting ready for Trump's speech.
What's funny is that type of a move right there is usually enough to cause NQ to flush down to at least its moving averages, but nothing happened yet.
Yeah, it's not going to. It sounds like got the fill. We're not in a normal market. The plunge protection team is back. They took the night off. They came back in, made sure everything is good.
That is really strange. I mean, it moved a couple dollars and the NQ didn't budge. Huh.
I told you, buyers are strong in the NQ. They're not going to sell it.
VIX 1 day still going up. Jeez. And ES not budging.
No, yes, isn't budging at all. Yes, it's been stronger all morning though, it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Or all day. So data. I'm gonna go check your waves real quick.
Jerry, the ES is above the intraday 1 day max, and the NQ is right at it right now. Those are, I mean, it's up here where if we have some kind of catalyst, they should drop. Both markets should drop, but something's got to happen to cause that, right? So
Well, we got Trump.
Yeah.
Catalyst Trump, baby, let's go. Get it?
He typically does get off topic and start talking about other stuff. So they're calling it an announcement on coal, but he could start talking about all kinds of stuff. All right, NQ's finally reacting to crude going up. That was a delayed reaction.
We're just a little bit slow today, that's all.
Oh boy, my Bookmap is going crazy with these sounds. There's a lot of pressure, volume pressure, order book pressure, all down to the downside. Oh, buyers stepping back in now. They can't let it go too far out of hand.
Why not?
Don't ask me.
I can't believe I went 7 for 7 again today.
Yeah, good job.
I've been taking a lot less trades, and it's been paying off.
Yep.
Now I wonder if it's going in the water or getting exercise, or I don't know, mentally, like I just feel way better.
No, that's true. They talk about that. You know, getting outdoors and exercising is super, super important for mental focus. And the sun too. The sun, you know, your body is absorbing and creating a bunch of vitamin D, and you're just in balance. You're in the zone right now, for sure.
I ever tell you that story about vitamin D, my friend?
Uh-uh.
I can't tell it on stream, but it's pretty funny. I don't want to offend anybody. But it's hilarious. Oh, screw it. Let's do it anyways. Pretty funny story. So my friend, he's pretty far out there. Like, he is not an introvert by any stretch of the imagination. And he starts talking to this chick. And he's talking to her on the phone. He's trying to hook up with her. And she's like, hey, I'm going to be da-da-da day. I'm going to go get some vitamin D. Or I need to get some vitamin D. You should come over. He's like, sweet. So he shows up to the house. She's like, all right, you ready to go? He's like, ready to go? Like, where are we going? Like, and they go out to some dock thing and go on some boat. She's laying out on the boat or whatever. And he goes, I thought you wanted some D. She goes, yeah, you get vitamin D from the sun. Then he ended up telling her, he goes, I misread this situation. He actually told her, and she was dying laughing because she had no idea. She was talking about laying out in the sun. And he's like, wow, she's pretty out there with it. Like, just telling me. So
what would make that story even better is if she laughed with him about it and then said, all right, let's do it.
He never hooked up with her.
No.
From what he said, he never hooked up with her. But from his perspective, he's like, wow, I can't believe like she's just offering out there.
That's funny.
Yeah, she wasn't. She was talking about laying out in the sun.
Okay, buyers stepping in again. They're just not wanting to give it up.
I don't know. We still have a lower high. Look on the 1 minute. Here's a high. We have the potential for a lower high. We have a lower low. Ukraine's ready for a ceasefire too.
Yeah, Zelensky offers a bilateral meeting.
I feel like Ukraine's wanted a meeting a lot longer, wanted a deal a lot longer than Putin.
Yeah, Russia, Putin's, they're too prideful. But, you know, I was watching that Enforcer YouTube channel last night, and it looks like Ukraine did some pretty big damage yesterday.
Oh, they've been hitting them with the drones pretty good.
Yeah. Looks like they took out one of their battleships, some of their oil pumping stations. Like, it's getting ugly.
I think Moscow, I think a lot of places in Russia are out of oil now, I I heard that somewhere.
Yeah, they were talking about that they've got, oh, shoot, what do you call it? Where you're limiting customers on how much gasoline they can. Yeah, they're rationing their fuel.
Hey, Dow's back up 882.
Whoa, look at that.
So this ES pulling back a little. Nope. Look, ES isn't budging. ES is still right up here. Interesting. No such thing as clean coal. Picks them up. Look at your hands. That's because you don't got the clean stuff, Paul. You get the clean coal.
Yeah, Paul, you're talking about that old stuff they used to mine back in the day. There's new coal.
Yeah, you're not
now.
talking about the new beautiful coal.
The new stuff looks like crystals. Oh, shoot. I just noticed I didn't hit the like button. Hey, everybody hit like on the stream.
Oh, you slacker.
Let's go.
All right. Say goodbye to Jesse, everybody. Well, I'll see if if we turn this regression channel down, I might be willing to take another sell trade. If that regression channel is sloped downward.
Seller's stepping in right now, pretty heavy.
Yeah, I don't want to get too excited about it though.
You just got.
Hey, we did hit the P point up here on the NASDAQ too. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's about to flush down. They're going to take out some of this internal liquidity here.
It's going to flush. You're funny.
Well, relatively speaking, it's going to take out 561, I think.
I want to see like a flush to me is all the way. Let's see 30,000 below. Make stocks great again.
Take the short. Take the short.
I'm not taking it yet. I'm not doing it.
Take the short. 5 points.
You can't make me do it.
I'll Venmo you if you lose.
You can't make me. Nah, boo boo. You can't make me.
I'll Venmo you if you lose it. Oh, here it goes. You're too late.
Hey, can I take it and send me your Venmo me if I lose?
No, hell no. That's not fair. 561 incoming. It's gonna flush it wants to flush out the shorts right there, or the stops for the longs. Yeah,
well, look. See, I'd be underwater right now. Good thing I didn't listen.
It came close.
Yeah, but I would have lost.
I guess close.
You're trying to break my. Hey, you're working with the market makers here. I see what you're doing.
Close only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades, I guess.
Yeah, hey, I'm not taking any losing trades. That's why I didn't take it. You were telling me to short it down there like 564. It ripped all the way up to 574.
No, I started saying it before that. Hey, it's still trying. They're still selling pressure's still on. They want to take out.
Yeah, but it would have already been stopped out.
No, really?
Yeah.
There it goes. Boom. Target filled.
After you get stopped out?
No. It never took out that previous swing high on your chart. I'm looking at your charts right now. Lower high, lower high.
Yeah, but I only got a 10-point stop. If I got it at 64, would have got out at 74.
I think I was saying it like 68. Where did it get up to?
Supreme Court bolsters SEC's power to recoup illegal gains. Oh, we're starting to go down now a little bit. I want to see that regression channel slope, though. I want to see the slope of it change. Either go sideways or start going down, then I'll look for a short. Other than that, I'm not interested. Look at the ES. Look. Yes, we just got a doji candle over here on the 30-minute. Ain't nothing there. Yeah, look over here on the ES. It's not coming down. So NASDAQ, I don't know. Not buying it yet. Not buying it.
It was just temporary. It was a liquidity sweep is all. That's what I was targeting anyways. But I was trying to play with your money.
I know. I like how you do that. You're working with the market makers here. You think the top is in? NQ can drop 100 points in the next 4 minutes when 15-minute candle closes. Let's go. I hope you're right. I'd love to see that. It depends. Sometimes the NQ is the girl. Sometimes it's a guy. Just depends. Sometimes it's just the mother. Beep, beep, beep. Yes, definitely has more liquidity behind it. Oh, hey, Manuel's pretty good. Other than bouncing off a rock today. But at least it didn't hit my head. That would have sucked.
Mm-hmm.
That would have got me pretty bad. That would have been a bad day. I was in the barrel and just got worked. I knew I was gonna get worked. I couldn't get over the top, so I just ducked in the barrel and it pitched me right over. I didn't just fall like I normally do. I guess I leaned into the wave and it up and down. And then it just powered me down. It was pretty nasty. But I was laughing as I'm going up and over the wave to come crashing down. I was kind of like laughing and bam, bounced off the rock. And I wasn't laughing no more. And then it was wave after wave after wave after wave after wave that came in after that. I was like, you son of a biscuit. Yeah, see, look, we still haven't been able to turn that regression channel. We haven't been able to get this at least to flatten out or slope downward. So still in a hurry up and wait. Yes, trying to go back up a little bit. Probably go ahead and push through the highs. So nothing to see, nothing to see. Oh no, hey, I'm definitely old, Manuel. Yeah, hard it is to recover. I got something jacked up in my elbow too, from like paddling and pushing up on the surfboard. Like, I don't know if it's my tricep where it connects. I don't know, but something's jacked up with it. So it makes it a little bit harder to swim, but I'm pushing through for the time being. I'm not going to allow it to make me sit out. That's for sure.
Yeah, Coop, there's a ton of, I mean, SPX doesn't have much more room to the upside. I mean, I think the market's found its top here today. Now, how far does it drop? Who knows?
Oh, you guys are funny at the top. That's funny.
You heard it here, folks.
The top is like a fairy tale. Doesn't exist.
SPX and ES are done for the day. They're not going to go any higher. That's my take.
All right, not going to go any higher. Right,
that's my story, and I'm sticking to
Jesse
it.
says 76.07.5 is the high. We are at our own free will to go ahead and full port as many contracts as we can on that ES. And Jesse said he'll Venmo you if it loses. And I'm just joking with that. Don't go do it.
There, and I didn't mean right here. I meant 7,600 on the SPX. So there's a little wiggle room, but
yeah. Hey, Total Dork. So I have GoPros, which I didn't bring my GoPro. I have an instant 360 camera. The waves have been so big that I'm scared I'm going to lose the camera out there. Like, it hasn't been small. Like, the smallest we've had was probably yesterday. And it was probably still a big set was probably still 8 foot. But normal waves were probably 6 to 7 foot on the face.
Hey, Elevated Life, happy birthday.
Oh, yeah, happy birthday. Oh, I know how to get this market to go. Blushing. I know how else to do it.
Try along?
No, you got full port along. Get it right. Come on, didn't I teach you anything? Yeah, full port. Max leverage. The market will guarantee it will move. May or may not be the way that you're hoping for.
Hey, Jerry, it's funny. Yeah, 7 foot waves aren't small at all. Yeah, I remember when we were younger, me and my cousins, we used to take these things called skim boards to the ocean, okay? And
oh, yeah, I like that.
You just run towards the water, throw the board down, and just skim on the little tiny, like 2 inches of water. And Mike's out there surfing the real waves. I could barely stay on a skim board.
I mean, I don't like, to be fair, I don't like huge waves. That's not, I've been hoping for the waves to be a little bit smaller, but it is what it is. Like, I've been out 18 foot is the biggest I've been out ever. There were some big old honkers on Monday. They're calling it like 15 foot, 10 to 15 foot.
That's a lot of buying pressure on the NQ right here.
I told you. Hey, so hold on. Let's go recheck the ES. Jesse, looks like you were wrong. So you had to Venmo people a lot of money.
No,
ES made a new high.
76.30 is the wall, I said.
Yeah, no, you said it wasn't going any higher. It's done for the day. Top is in.
Let me look over here. Where are we at anyways? I can't even see my ES.
We hit 08, 76.08.
Yeah, the top's in.
That's what you just said a few minutes ago.
The top is in.
All right, so he says it won't go above 08.
Oh, I don't know about 08. I just mean
said the top's in.
This general.
The top right now.
My point is this general area. It's not worth taking any more longs, in my opinion. Let's see, VIX 1 day still cruising up.
So what you're saying is, when you call the top, it just means as long as the S&P is below 10 grand. Just this area. All right. Let me
So the ES should probably try to settle between here and 76.25 would be my guess. Yeah, I wish you guys could see what I'm looking at. The heat map, the trace heat map over on Spot Gamma is like, poof, there's a ton of negative, like right above 7,600 on the SPX, ton of negative gamma. And this is a call wall like this is a pretty strong call wall right above us up here.
So what you're saying is there's a chance it could go down?
Well, here's the thing. If we get into that, if we get above that call wall, the market could rip anywhere because it's negative gamma, right? So the hedging flow is going to go with the momentum of the traders. So, I mean, if we get up there, it could go crazy. I mean, who knows?
We're getting ready to go higher.
Yeah, it could rip all the way through this red area of the heat map.
Which would signal that the top's not in.
Yeah.
Just say it. What do I know?
I'm considering that you know, I don't know, that call wall. I'm considering it the max. We're already above the 1 day max on 0 DTEs. So,
all right, I'm gonna go ahead and start the duck race.
All right.
Here in a minute. Oh no, not yet.
Well, folks, get the ducks ready.
So don't be typing anything in yet. If you type anything, you'll be disqualified. Okay, that might be a little harsh. All right, I'm gonna drop the code. I'm gonna drop the code in about 20 minutes. Now 3, 2, 1, beep. Code's been dropped. All right.
There's the code. So for anybody new, you need to copy and paste that thing in the chat. Spam the chat, and Nightbot's gonna randomly pick people.
And let's just be real clear before the race ever starts. In order to win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Your email has to be confirmed, meaning that they send you an email confirmation. You click on that confirmation, confirm the email. You type in the key phrase. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 people. Then I'm going to pick out a few people myself. All right. Copy.
I think maybe little old Jesse might get to pick somebody too.
You shouldn't think so much.
We know what happens when I pick somebody.
All right, pick someone right now. One person.
Twice in a row. I'm gonna put in. Hold on. Let me look at the names.
I'm only gonna give you one. You get one shot.
One shot. I'm picking Jerry. Yeah. Put Jerry in there.
Oh, hold on. I gotta find him. I don't know why I can't find this now. I can't find the stream. Oh,
it's Jerry. What is his name? Where's my boy? Jerry J. .8.
All right, hold on. Jerry J.
Yep. So Jerry, you're in. You don't need to post the code anymore.
J. What? 8?
Yeah, .8. The number 8.
All right.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
Last 2 times I chose somebody, they won. What are the chances?
We're gonna see. All right, we get back to this one. All right. Next one is gonna be Adam. Adam, you have a spot in the duck race? This is quite the pain. I lose track of what screen I'm on. Over here. Paste. All right, next one is gonna be Dream something. Copy. All right, next one is going to be Still Fly with 3 kids.
Yeah, I love that.
Love that name. All right, next one's going to be all right. Paste. Next one's going to be oh, they're in the duck race yesterday. All right, let's see. Actually, I think they were second place and they jumped out before they got their winnings.
Oh, was it Val or something like that?
Yeah.
Stick around this time. You won the race and you left yesterday. Well, you didn't win, but
yeah, second place.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oops. Mini crumbs. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Plus, we got Trump speaking at 3. So if we get a big move, I'm going to say it's because of the duck race, not Trump.
Yeah, I agree.
Paste. Winner.
Okay, a little selling pressure here on the NQ. Let's see.
I
if
just
they
heard
can,
it.
Yeah, let's see if they can push it.
I like it. Paste.
It didn't get too far.
Of course not. YOLO trading. Oh boy, why YOLO? It does not work.
Doesn't work for me either.
I think it's a myth.
I've tried it a bunch of times.
All right, hey, you guys can quit typing in the chat. I'm going to scroll through the chat and pick out some random winners out of the chat. So please just stop the scroll or stop it. All right, let's see.
Yeah, and then make sure you hit live on the stream so you're not running a minute behind or whatever.
All right. BAL something. You have a spot in the duck race. Somebody else I want to make sure I don't forget. Remember.
Ooh, did Rapid get in there? I see Rapid. What's up, Rapid? Eddie, I see Eddie. Good to see you guys.
Ace trade, you have a spot. We're going to try to pay out the first winner in the last person.
Hey, Balaji, I think you're in the race. I think you got in.
Yeah.
Balaji, you're in.
Oh, I gotta see if somebody's not here. If somebody's not in here, then I don't feel bad. I don't see him. Yeah, person I was gonna pick's not in here. Wanted me to pick him. All right. Elevator Life, you have a spot. And let's see. Your Rapid a spot. Copy. We'll get Mecca Noble spot.
I was just gonna say, what's up, Mecca? I saw Mecca. Frank, I see Frank here. Good to see you guys. Dave.
I just don't want the list to get too big. Where did it go? I lost Mecca Noble's name. Oh, there it goes.
Total Doric in the house. Volume Profile Trader. I like that. Nice name.
This race is kind of large at the moment.
NQ trying to drop out of here. Let's see.
I told you it's the duck race, baby. That's why we do it. All right. Do 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see.
Okay, entries are done, folks. Hit live on the stream. Here we go.
We're going to see who wins. Who's going to win this? Dun-dun-dun.
Number.
All right, on your marks. Get set. I should have put Jose in. Jose, I'll get you in the duck race coming up. You're always in here too. Appreciate that. All right, on your marks. Get set. Beep.
All right.
We're going to try to pay out one in the last duck that we see on the list. So winner one in the last duck.
And who gets to choose the account size? Last place or first place?
No, first place.
Okay. Let's go, Jerry.
Let's see. Thomas, crazy eye duck.
Hey, Jerry,
Thomas,
the last time Mike let me pick somebody,
eye.
2 times in a row.
I can't believe I haven't eaten anything yet.
Yeah, me neither. What is wrong with us?
Oh, crazy eye stepping back. He's going to try to get the last place spot, maybe. I don't even know how many ducks we have in this race. All right, 10 seconds left. Who's got what it takes to win? Remember, if you're not on the email list and your email is not confirmed, you simply forfeit. Oh, Jesse, it looks like I picked the winner this time.
Oh.
Lost your Just joking.
Congrats. Hey, stick.
All right. Oops, I had the volume down.
Stick around. We got
Here.
last place too.
All right. So let me get to this real quick. Minimize this. All right. Hey, the elevator life. What is the first 3 letters of your email? You guys might have to help me with this. Let's see. Stupid duck. Whack.
LEG, Mike. LEG.
All right, LEG. All right, let's get it. Oh, I think it's probably the first one. For some reason, I think it's gonna be this one. No. Oh, it is. It is. All right. All right. Hey, do you wanna? Let me get to my email real quick before I forget. Winner. Oops. All right. Hey, so here's a elevator. Do you want a 50K or a 150K account? Which one? Oh yeah, it's his birthday. I forgot about
What? Oh, that's the birthday boy? Oh, sick.
That.
That's
Hey,
awesome.
I forgot all about that.
Me too. That's awesome.
Yeah, that makes me happy.
Yeah.
Hey, so you get to choose 50K flex or 150K. 150K? All right, you got it. Let me just trying to log in to get the code.
Happy birthday, dude.
Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, I think it's raining up here. It is.
Surfing in the rain.
Well, that's good though, because it'll clear out the crowds. Like, I don't want to go out in the rain. All right, 150K. Copy it. I'm going to send your email here in just a moment.
Hey, Jerry, no problem. No problem. Let's see if you came in last place. I wasn't paying attention. Let's see if you maybe who got last place.
I don't know.
Rapid.
I don't know. It's interesting to see who got last. Oh, why can't I not bold this?
Okay, so crude settled at $2, 2.78 below or down at the close of its session.
All right, hey elevator, I sent you an email. All right, so now we gotta go see. Ooh, there we go. Here's the ES. Yeah, Jesse, your high still holding on the ES so far. All right, let's go see the ducks.
Yeah, 76.25. I don't think there's any way we push through that. And if we do, it could be an explosive move. So be careful, folks.
All right, let's see who's last place.
Here we go.
Dream something. Dream. You know, my eyes are crossing trying to read that. Hey, so is number 17 still in here?
Dream? No. There's nobody in the chat that starts with Dream.
Uh-oh. So now do we go to spot 2 or do we do spot 16?
16.
All right. Is there a Carl in the chat?
CAR? Carl's here, 66.26.
All right.
That's
Carl's going to win it then.
That's it. Carl,
you get a 55 or 50K account. Hey, Carl, real quick. What's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters. Let's see. If you guys see it, hey, Jesse, if you see it, let me know.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard for me to read the chat. Yeah, hey, Carl, I'll see you here.
All right,
see the
there
first
he is.
letters of your email. Oh, you know what? Crap, it's raining. I gotta get my stuff off the balcony. Give me a second.
Sweet. All right, Carl, what are the first 3 letters of your email address, sir? That way Mike can look you up in the database and send you an email.
All right. Did we get the first 3 letters?
Nope. Still waiting for it.
Okay. Oh, I'm trying to get the duck race off.
Okay, CNA. Or CMA. That was a typo. CMA.
CMA.
We got you, Carl.
CMA. It's in the game. Oh, I think it's going to be the first one. Let's see. Yep, I got him. Copy. Wow. Go right here. Compose. Paste. Winner.
Yeah, Raj, I like it too. I've been floating another idea for Mike too. We'll see if he buys into it.
Nope.
Hey, it's like horse trainers, dude. They've got plenty of horses in the race. Will win tomorrow, Balaji. Yeah, no doubt.
You're in the race.
All right, NQ trying to push up, but is it going to put in another lower high here? Let's see.
All right, Carl, the code has been sent.
Yeah,
Hey, Carl, it's been sent.
Congrats to both you guys.
All right. Let's see. Are they going to keep on pushing? Hey, Jesse, I don't know if you saw this, but your ES high didn't hold again. Just saying.
It broke 76.25 because that's what I called.
No, that wasn't the high. You said the high is in, the top is in.
Yeah, the
We're
top
at 7608. You keep moving it. You keep moving it.
No.
Okay, top's in between here and 100,000.
No, not 100,000. 76.25. It's going to settle between here and there.
I think we can make it up there. Oh, perfect. Hey, Carl, remember that's for the 50K flex account. Perfect. All right, but I'm missing something.
I like those flex accounts.
I do too.
I need to get a payout first before I spend any more money.
I don't understand what's going on here. I created a problem. I can't get the stream stuff.
I can see your trading view chart. Oh, there it is. Now I see your Ninja Trader stuff on the stream.
Yeah, I can't get to it. I mean, I got it now, but I was having difficulties getting back to the tube stuff.
So, hey, when does crude open back up now that it's settled?
It's trading. It's already trading.
Oh, so does it just stop and then start again right away for its session? Yeah. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Hey, see you tomorrow, DJ. Can't believe it's raining. It's raining. This point, we only got 50 minutes left. 50 minutes.
What time is it? Wow.
I still can't believe that ES chart. It just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. NASDAQ's back down 60. Yeah, Q's trying to drop. We have the regression channel sloping downward. Not a bad area for a short at the upper regression channel, but I'm still I don't want to give the market makers a chance to get any of their money back yet. I don't feel confident enough about it yet. So we'll see. What do you think, Jesse? Is NASDAQ a good short?
I think so. Yeah, it's been putting in lower highs.
So
I think
you think we go to hello?
I think when
Hello,
Trump
yellow.
When Trump takes the mic, we're going to take out some internal liquidity down here at 526.
Trump's going to take me?
522, the mic. The other mic. I say we take out, oh, shoot, my cursor moved. I say we take out 526 and maybe even potentially 511.
511, let's see. You know, it's funny when you look on the 30-minute chart, that doesn't look like much of a move.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it, huh?
I see a fib retracement from that low today. 426 is a 38. So if we do start pulling back tonight, the 426 would be the next logical target I'd look at. I was almost gonna say, yeah, I gotta get that out of my head. I can't trade the props tonight.
Oh shoot, did he already talk? Let me see. Let me open this up in YouTube. No, he's late.
Yeah, Trump's late, as always.
Yeah,
it says 3 o'clock. It really means 3:30, 3:45, 4 o'clock, 5, somewhere in there.
They're just showing a picture of the White House. Oh, you can see behind the white. Oh, you can see they've got the they've started building the UFC event thing back there. Interesting.
What UFC are they building?
So the UFC is holding a 250th year birthday of the U.S. at an event there on the south lawn of the White House.
When you first said 250-year birthday, I was like, UFC hasn't been around 250 years.
No,
it's still when it first came out.
Yeah, it's to celebrate the U.S. But it's not on the 4th of July weekend. It's on it's a couple weeks earlier than that, on like a Sunday, on a June. I can't remember what date. I think it might be on June 28th, I think. But pretty crazy. They're doing an outdoor event at the White House. I mean, that's insane.
Why?
I don't know. Just crazy. And then isn't there also like an Indy race too around Washington, D.C. that weekend?
I didn't know about that. Still going down.
Yeah, so let's watch those levels. I called 526, potentially even 511.
I think I might get it. I'm just not willing to take a short yet. And I just looked. YM is up 903.
Yeah, look at that. Wow. 1.77%. And the Russell 1.61%.
How do I decide when to stop trading? When I'm happy with the P&L. What I'm really doing is, I know I tempted the market saying I haven't had a losing trade yesterday or today. The market's going to be trying to get revenge. So I'm just looking for a trade that's worth me taking the risk, which is really how I should always trade. But, we don't always do what we should do.
Yeah, Raj, that's another way to stop trading too.
Yeah, losing big.
Like me last night. I guess I'm done.
When the market forces you to stop.
Yeah.
Trying to bounce right off this oversold area. And the lower regression channel. If we come back down, I might take a swing at it. I don't know yet. Yeah, the market will definitely push on your pain point. See how much pain you can take.
I'm going to try a short. I'm going to target that 526.
Oh, boy. $5.26. Let's go. I'm rooting for your trade. So now I can be a spectator. There it goes.
Let's go.
We went down low enough where I'd want to be in it.
I only have one contract, but if I had two, my second target would be that.
Sim, right? Sim?
That 511, yeah. Sim only, yeah. I've already.
You don't have the copier on?
No.
I'm just having you double check. That's all.
Yeah. I already checked.
I just want to make sure that, you didn't oopsie doopsie.
Yeah. I definitely can't overtrade this. One of these accounts actually expires 6 days from now, so I only have 5 days to pass it before I have to pay for it again. So if I overtrade one day, I'm in trouble.
Oh yeah. Hey, Roger's calling for the opening price. Let's see what the opening price was again. 4 something, if I remember right.
453.
Yeah, 453.
First stop is 26, then 511, and then, yeah. I mean, I could see.
That'd be amazing if it hits Roger's target. Like, whoa. I should have listened. Oh, Roger was 520, then opening price. I wasn't really expecting the market to pull back like this. There's an NQ rejected off the P point. Look at the ES though. ES isn't really pulling back. ES isn't really pulling back.
The ES has been odd the last couple days. Stronger than NQ.
Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. I'm rooting for that 520 and wait, Justin, did you say 526? Is that where you're getting out?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Huh. It's only 10 points away. How many points is that going to be on that trade?
My entry is 55, so 55.25. I might move it. I'm going to see how the momentum is. I might move it down to that 511 I was talking about. If the sellers step in, let's see.
I'd love to see a flush.
In
you
fact,
got the flush. Yes, the flush. What about Dow? Dow is still 911.
Yeah, I like what I'm seeing. I'm going to go to 511 here.
Oh, boy.
Yep.
I feel like I get myself in trouble when I do this. I'm in a trend like, oh, here's my original target. Oh, man, it's working so good. I'm going to move it down. It hits where the first target would have been. Then, whoop. It's like, you son of a...
Yeah, that's possible. So I'll manually close it if it...
Yeah, the problem... Oh, hey, Jesse, hey, here's something that's crazy. Not crazy, but the other guy that is in the camp, the institutional trader, hey, he only adds to winning trades.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know how you do that. I have a hard time with it. I know it's the right thing to do a lot of times. I just can't do it. I don't like seeing my average price get worse.
I know.
I feel like it stresses me out the closer my average price is to price. I'm like, oh man, I'm that much closer to getting stopped out.
I mean, I think it makes more sense on the bigger trades, like your micro trades, but like volume profile rotation type stuff. But for our little scalps, nah, for me, it doesn't make sense.
Uh-oh. Regression channel is going sideways, but we're trying to bounce back up now. Uh-oh. Is that all the pullback we get? So yes, trying to bounce up here a little bit. So I was looking at this ES chart. I thought this was the NASDAQ at first, but the ES regression channel's flattening out. NASDAQ is actually sloping down already. I forgot about that. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day. Golly, that truck's so loud. Oh, try and go back up.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Little bounce don't scare me.
It's just a little pullback. It'll still go down. Uh-oh. Please, please, please.
This ain't even real quicksand yet, Mike.
Yeah. No more peeing on your little creatures.
Hey, good point, day trader in Alaska. 9 count down there on the 1 minute at the bottom of the channel. That could give you a bounce, but the channel's down, right? So my bias is to the downside. So the way I would play that is I would wait for it to get halfway up the channel and then start looking for a rejection, which would be right about here-ish, right, Mike? No, not
You're right about your entry point.
Yeah, exactly. Where I'm already short from, so I'm okay.
Hey, so you're gonna add to it if it goes up there?
No, I'm not gonna do any adding.
Come on, man! I'm trying to help you blow this sim account up.
Nah, I'm good. I don't want to build bad habits. I already tried to fight those demons.
Are you just scared? You're just scared to make money in this sim account.
Dude, I got a target down at 511. That's gonna make me plenty of money.
Yeah, but you could double it real easy.
Now I just need to find a sim ATM.
Uh-oh. Hey, it's going back up to see, hey, you sure you don't want to get another one on? I don't like that. It's trying to bounce here.
Okay, so the White House just went live. He's not.
Dow's up 928.
I'm going to turn him on.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Back to my entry price.
Ruh-roh. Trump's like, oh, we can't let the market go down. We got to juice it. Juice, baby, juice.
He's showing off the reflecting pond. Reflecting pool.
So how big of a stop are you running on this trade?
My stops are always 350. I'm actually going to change that though. So you know how I use different ATMs based on what the current ATR is?
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is take all of them, all those ATMs, and make the stops half of the targets. So every trade then is a 1 to 2 or more, right? That's the goal. That'll force me to
anything over 34%, you're good.
Yeah, that means like that'll force me to look for slightly more accurate entries too, instead of letting it kind of breathe like I am right now.
We're down 350?
No, the stop is at 72.75.
Oh boy.
So it's trying to go there. It might tag me.
Boy.
I probably should have taken, I think I was up at, I don't know how much, I was up $300 on that trade.
Is that funny how after the fact, it's like, maybe I should have taken that.
Yeah.
When it's going your way, like, I'm moving this bad boy down. That's exactly what I told you. When I see something working good, if I move my target, it's like, it go through this crap all the time.
Yeah. I was kind of married to that 526 and we only got down to what, 531.
Yeah, that sucks.
That's all right. I'll let it hit me. It's going. Yeah, the market just needed Trump to get on camera.
You're still in it, right?
Yep, barely.
Return were bought. Let's see if they can get a little pop down. I don't know, man. I'm debating it.
Yeah, well, now would be a better short than where I got in, but we'll see.
Look, I get in here, get out at your break even.
Yeah, I mean, that's not a bad trade.
That's about the middle regression channel, right?
Yeah,
Maybe
so it stopped me out. Still going up. I'm going to watch the order flow here. I'll get back in and give it a second try. I got to see the sellers take over, though.
Oh, yes, is back up there, too. Yes, probably going to break out through the highs again. It's going to get it. Got 35 minutes till the market's closed.
Yeah.
Where's the Dow at now? Dow's up 927. So we're on bar number 9 or bar number 7 right now of the 9 count.
I mean, we're right at right there. Let's see. I'm waiting for any kind of order flow here. Buyer's still in control, though.
When was the last time sellers were in control?
Last night, I got my ass smoked.
Yeah, they're short-lived. They don't take control for very long. They have short shifts.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Patrick, what's up? What question do you have? All right, we're on bar number 8. They're tempting me. They're really trying to say, Mike, just one more. Are you scared? Think about smacking it. Not doing it yet, though. Not yet. Oh, hey, Mr. Patrick. Hey, on Lucid, you just have to log in with your Lucid credentials to Ninja. So if you log in with Lucid, with your Lucid credentials to Ninja, connect to that data feed first, you should be fine.
One step too is you got to sign into ninjatrader.com and go turn on the order flow, I think. Do you still need to do that, Mike?
No, I don't think you have to do that.
I remember back when they first launched NinjaTrader Prop, you definitely had to jump through that hoop. It was a struggle for me to get it working, but maybe they don't have
I helped somebody else recently. They didn't have to do it.
Okay, good. Maybe they fix that.
At least I'm pretty sure they didn't have to. I don't remember. Yeah, he already had it add on. Yeah, but you might have had it for a different login. No, hey, Patrick, you have to use the Lucid credentials to log into Ninja. Otherwise, you won't have access to the footprint chart and the volume profile and stuff. Oh, we got the 9 count up here. We're still going up, though.
Yeah, buyer's still in control of the volume.
Well, S&P new all-time highs. I'm sorry, new daily highs. But you got a trade detector bubble up there. Yeah, they're gonna get this bad boy.
Boy, they really like. Trump just announced the big decision on voter ID is required now, and also mail-in ballots are no longer allowed unless you're handicapped, military, abroad, and some other couple things.
Let's get it. Yeah, to the moon. I told you it looked like it was going to go up.
Yeah. My finger's on the sell button, though, as soon as the sellers step in here.
You see the high right here on the NASDAQ.
Yeah, it's right there.
The green line right there. We're probably going to push it. To lower energy prices.
I'm in.
I don't know if I do that right before the session high.
Yeah, it's risky, but where is that session high?
598. That's the only thing that stopped me from it because I was going to do it. I looked at it, I seen the green line. I was like, let me wait.
Yeah, that's okay. My stop is at 610, so I'm okay with a little bit of a spike right through the high and then hopefully a dump out. I could be totally wrong on this one. This is a high risk. Oh, yeah. Buyers are they're pushing it. Elevated life. Yeah, congrats. It's all Mike, not me. I'm just a guest. Mike's legit though.
I'm in. Bam, target.
You're in too?
Boom. Good. Yeah, I just hit it. Nice. We got a trade detector bubble. That puts me 8 for 8 today.
Nice.
No losses. So gotta pick my spots.
Good one.
Accordingly.
Yeah, that's a pretty big bubble over here on my chart.
That's what she said.
Hey, they took those orders. How many was that? $85. All right. Now he's talking smack about windmills. Hey, Jerry, no problem. See you, buddy. Mike, you going to come back tonight or no?
I don't know. I don't know if I want to. I'm scared I might be tempted to trade the prop accounts. With the NFP coming out tomorrow, I don't want to be in a trade. Usually I look for bigger volume profile trades with those. So I don't know if I want to attempt them.
Hey, Doug, those scalps you see Mike trading is on his live account. With the prop firms, he trades micros, right, Mike? You still doing micros? Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, a great trading morning. Oh, congrats.
I got a big red bubble there too now. A green one and a red one.
Yep.
It's little bit of a battle up here.
It's Christmas time in the city.
Right on my entry too. It's funny. I'm sitting here still in my trade. You already took your scalp.
Yeah, $100. Only made 100 on it though.
Yeah, I've got a pretty big target.
What target are you looking for?
I've got it at 568, but I'm going to move it down if we get down there.
Like, oh, you can't hit my target. Watch this. I'm going to move it.
I'm going to play keep away.
Oh, boy. You get something to aim for, then you move it.
Simple Trade says 8 for 8 with a 10-point stop is insane. Yeah, Mike's friggin' killing it.
Yesterday I did 7 for 7, I think it was. But I've been a lot more patient. Like compared to how I normally am on stream, I'm way more patient. I don't know if it's from being in the water and just being relaxed. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm going to enjoy it while it lasts because it won't last forever. I promise you that.
He didn't say anything rapid other than they made a law about voter ID and no transgenders in sports, that kind of stuff. And now he's talking.
What does that have to do with clean coal?
I don't know. He hasn't got to the coal part yet. Oh, he's talking about it now.
Yeah, might stay in Costa Rica. I'm trying to get a place down here. Then I get my whole setup.
All right, I'm up to 220 on this trade. I'm going to try to at least get my 350 back.
I'm trying to bargain with the markets.
Yeah.
Please, just let me get my 350 back. Please, please. I know I was greedy earlier, but just bear with me. Yeah, 15 and 15-ish for the last 2 days. Yeah. I think the day before I had losses, though, but not a whole lot. I didn't take a whole lot of trades. I'm being more selective. The ES has kept me at bay, shorting the NASDAQ too much because it's been so strong. So I'm liking it.
Yeah, this thing went all the way back up to my friggin' entry.
Yes, we gotta get in, get out, get in, get out.
Hey, so in that first trade, I was up about $300, didn't take it. This trade, I was up like $200, didn't take it.
Yeah, it's because you're being greedy. Market, the greedy become the needy.
Yeah.
We still got 25-ish minutes, 24 minutes. I think we're gonna bust these. I think we're gonna bust them again.
You think so? What is it? 603?
I don't know. I can't see.
Yeah, 603.25.
It's lagging pretty bad. Like when I click on the chart and move it, it's pretty lagged out right now. It's probably a sign, Mike, don't trade it. They're trying to get you. I think the remote connections. Oh yeah, I can see. And my signal is not that great. That's the problem. I wonder if the weather changed it. I don't know. Speaking of, hold on, I'm gonna go look out the window, see the waves. Oh man, see, I get up, it starts moving.
Joshua, is there a mechanic where market chases your TP or stop loss? Yeah, I do use trailing stops. Right now I'm not, but typically I do. And so the way I do that is I have several different NinjaTrader ATMs set up based on the size of the current ATR. I choose the correct ATM, and the automatic trail will kick in at 80% of the ATR and then just trail price. So typically most of my trades get about 80% of the current ATR move. That's a 5-minute ATR is what I use.
They're trying to tempt me. I'm not going to take the bait.
Raj says dump zone. I hope. My target's down. Currently, my target's at 531.
It's going to go to 533 and then rip.
Yeah, I'll close it. I'm not letting this happen again.
No, I'm saying it'll happen so quick you won't even have a chance. But
Yeah,
what was that?
Yeah.
Trump at the very end of his speech will announce, and the war with Iran is over.
So if anybody's interested, the current value, P&L value of the current 5-minute ATR on NQ is $532. So the way I do this is if I'm in a trade, I don't look for more than $532. Otherwise, I'm
how much you trying to make in this trade?
More than that.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, where he said he got in the target. That's looks like more than $500.
Yeah. I mean, of course, we all know breakouts happen, right? Breakout from the current ATR happens all day long. But I figure the safest thing for me is to just, target the current ATR. No more, no less.
But who wants to be safe? You gotta live on the edge sometimes.
Well,
and it's sim count.
It's sim, and I'm trying to get back that loser I just had. So
POC came higher to 585 from 440.
Exactly, Mecca. Entertainment purposes only.
I saw the point of control all the way down here at 250. 250-ish.
Oh, here we go. Let's go, baby.
Hey, Raj called the dump. He said dump zone. Get it.
Yeah, I'm up.
I never doubted your trade for a second. I knew it'd be on there.
555 right now on the trade.
Raj said he covered his shorts.
You covevered it?
Oh yeah, look, yes, trying to come down too. Let's get it.
There we go. 700.
Oh, I'm not even in a trade, but I can still root for your trade. Are you gonna move target down?
The target's at 531 right now. Actually, I'm gonna move it up to right here. That is 537.50. Actually, I don't like that number. I'm gonna go to 538.
Seeing this, Micron, any of you have NQ on a leash? Oh, come on, dump it. Is Trump still speaking?
He's still talking, yep.
We're gonna blow him back to the Stone Ages.
Yeah, 520. So Raj, my target was 526, and I agree with you. It's still on, but now I'm going for the internal liquidity we built up over here at 538-ish.
Oh, you moved it up?
531 to 538. There's going to be a lot of stops right there for everybody who went long on that rip. So we'll see. If it starts going pretty aggressively towards that, I'll jump back down to that 26 target I had earlier. I don't want to get too greedy. I mean, it's already starting to kind of battle right here.
It's got to work out.
I'm right at $700 on this trade. 720. I just 730.
Oh,
come on, go.
You got this. You should probably go down to 511.
820. 850, 860. Come on, push.
Hey, you want to show your screen?
Let's see. We can, yeah. Hold on.
People might enjoy being able to see it.
Yeah, that's a good point. Let me share. All right, it's shared.
All right. I think I can see it here. Ha. Nice. I like it. Where's that 511 target? Roughly. I'm just trying to see where it is in reference.
That's going to be right down here. That's the 26 is right there. The 511 is right here. So.
All right. I was just trying to see it in relation to your chart. Oh, you see Bookmap. Woo.
Yeah, this is the ES. My NQ's over here on my other screen.
Gotcha.
Okay, so 890-ish on that trade. It's kind of slowing down, right? So what I was going to do is I was going to move this target down to here if it was aggressively coming. Okay, here we go.
Here's we go.
Let's see, where's my mouse?
Come on down. Keep it going.
I don't like the hesitation.
We never do.
So for anybody watching, my thought process is, let me just move this out of the way for a second. So my thought process is this big rip up right here, like where do I think they put their stops? Probably right below this little swing low right here, right? At 538. So the NASDAQ loves to just rip people's stops and then go the other direction. So that's my theory. I'm going to put my target right there. It also happens to be a level 2 gamma level from spot gamma. So I like it. So it could come down and take out these stops that are down below this low too. I mean, we'll see in a second.
That's what I'm kind of thinking.
I'm up $1,000 on that trade though. I'm not going to be too greedy. Boom, target filled. Okay. So now the question is that enough stops for them to grab? And are they going to rip it now? Or are they going to come down here and then over here and then here?
Oh, that was a good trade though.
Yeah.
Hey, what did that put you up for the day in that account?
That sim account is up 5,015. Here's all my accounts. I'll show them. I don't care. Account numbers aren't showing. So 4K, 4,100 on TPT, and then 5,000 on the sim account.
Nice.
Because of that final trade right there.
Good deal.
Yeah, that's a good first day for having to start over for sure. All right, so they just took that liquidity. So what I'd be looking at next is right down here, this swing low, which is the 26 level I was talking about. And then down here, which would be the 511 level I was talking about, if it wants to keep going.
I like it.
We'll see.
Nice. All right. Let me, I'll flip back over to my charts. I think I got you off. That was a good trade. Good deal.
Thank you.
So, hey, you gonna split the money with us? We should do a giveaway for these profits. Come on, I think everybody will like that. Jesse's profits giveaway.
Well, they're not real profits yet. How about we talk about that if and when I pass these accounts and get a payout?
No. We're just talking about the simulated profits.
Oh, simulated profits. All right.
Yeah.
I'm game for that. So let's talk about, before we go.
I mean, but you got to pay us real cash. We got to pay us real cash for the simulated profits you made. I think that's fair. How many winners are we going to have? Right.
Okay, where's the ES? Are we on my chart?
Everybody gets what?
Let's see. Okay, so ES did drop down out of that level. Okay.
Oh man, we hit that. There's that 526. We hit that 526. You're talking about. Oh, we get it.
Yeah.
We got your 526.
So next would be 511 if the momentum keeps up. But I mean, at a certain point, it's like, okay, if they take enough stops, they're gonna just rip it. So let's see.
Yeah, Jesse's using minis.
Yeah, I trade one mini at a time.
Hey, Adam said, "Did I hear giveaway?"
Adam, you're pretty late on that.
No, he's talking about your giveaway, the Jesse giveaway.
Oh, he's talking about my sim profits. Yeah.
Simulated profits.
Yeah,
endless amount of them. Because if you ever blow up, you just reset it, and then you make some money. You got more money to give away. Now, if we could figure out a way to get the simulated profits into our bank accounts, that would be it. You blow up, hit reset, big trade. All right, transfer to bank account. Rinse and repeat.
Hey, day trader in Alaska and Mr. Patrick. Hey, Mike has me on here as a guest from time to time, so we can. He's got to go surfing right now, but next time I'm on, we can talk about some of that stuff. It's really quite easy to set up your charts like Mike's and mine. It's all free stuff available from the Ninja Trader. What's it called? Ecosystem, yeah. And then also there's the Renko. Here, let me punch it in here. Exclamation Renko. This is where you go get the free Renko bars. There you go. So you go to that page and you scroll down about, I don't know, halfway, and you'll see the Ninja Renko bars. They're free. My bars are a 20/10. So my bars are real big compared to Mike's.
Is that a short joke? Are you making a short joke, Jesse?
No,
Oh man,
because I'm talking about
hey,
Renko bars.
It's not nice. It's not nice to pick on midgets. Come on now. We have rights too.
Joshua says he changed his chart to look like yours, Mike, and he's been doing better for a few days now. Good.
Oh,
Congrats.
nice. I'm glad it helped.
Yeah, personally, I wouldn't buy TradingView. I mean, I used to use the free version of it just for some stuff, but Ninja's got everything that has nowadays.
I mean, the only thing it doesn't have though is you see the overseas markets, Bitcoin, and
yeah, that's true.
I used to just use the free version of Ninja. But
hey, Alaska, I mean that's the journey, right? I
wow,
mean,
look at that
I've been trading 4 years and I'm not quote unquote profitable yet. I've had a bunch of large payouts, but it doesn't mean I'm profitable. It's cost me a lot of money to get those payouts, right? So
okay, but hey, Jesse defines profitable as making $1 billion in 1 year. So
yeah,
he's only making a couple $100 million.
So did it take out the 511? No, not yet. It's right there.
It's right there.
So it wants that 511, those stops that are there too.
It's gonna get it. So you should have held it. Should have held it. You originally kept saying 511, 511, 511. You had that loss, you're like, boop, pucker up.
Yeah. Well, I think I took that stop though because
it was a good trade. No, it was a good trade. I'm just busting your chops.
Yeah, I mean it ripped up there pretty. That would have been a lot of heat.
Yeah, I was just busting your chops. I would have took it off too.
That's right. Hey, Mr. Alaska, yeah, for sure. It's the cost of learning, right? It's like what do we call it? Trade
tuition?
Yeah, trade. I don't know. Trader tuition, right? Lucid's been pretty well. Can't wait for a payout tomorrow. Hey, congrats on that. I've never got a payout from Lucid, and I've been trying. Man, I've been trying. My only payouts have been from Apex, Tick Trader back when they were around, and now TPT. But
I still think TPT has the best payout policy.
They do, for sure, yeah. But I've been striking out on both Lucid and Tradeify, which happen to be a couple of my favorite prop firms, but I've
had pretty good luck with Tradeify.
Yeah. Good day today, Raj. Sweet.
Oh yeah, you take care too, Raj. Thanks for stopping by, hanging out with us. Thank you for everybody that hung out with us today. I do appreciate it.
Yeah, market's closing in 7 minutes. Did it get the 511?
It did it?
It did. It to the tick. It got it.
See, you should have held it.
That's all right. That was $1,000 trade. I'm okay with that.
Too bad we can't rewind the tape and be like, oh wait, no, I want to get out right there.
Yeah, exactly. I was hoping for that last night when I blew up those accounts. I was like, oh my God, can I just go back? Let me go back 20 minutes.
You were long last night, Jesse?
Yeah, I kept trying to long it and it just kept going down. And I was doing stupid stuff, moving my stop, adding, moving, adding, just the same old bad habits that, not good, not good. What's crazy is it ended up bouncing last night, right? So if I never added, I wouldn't have blown up because one contract could have taken that heat. I'm not saying I should have done that, right? That's a lot of heat to take, but I wouldn't have been blown up. I just got to learn. I guess I haven't felt enough pain or something. I don't know.
Yep.
I gotta break that habit.
It's crazy. It's crazy how fast we can fall into that.
Yeah.
Nuts. Like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Oh crap. I got how many contracts on?
I don't know. Rapid says bounce into the close. My vote for entertainment reasons only would be no. My vote would be we drift on down for the close. Just my guess.
And what do you base that on?
I'm basing it on the spot gamma hero indicator, which is sinking, which means options are
All right.
starting to peel off. There's nothing really to drive the market up.
Oh, wow. There you go.
There it goes down again. So I think we go down, down, down. Fair value on the NQ would be in the range of anywhere between, well, we're there now. So we're there now.
Hey, Roger's saying something about opening price. What was that again? 453. That'd be nuts if we end up hitting that.
Yeah, I think we stay green on the day. I think we stay above 453, but that's just a guess, wild guess.
Going to sleep. Hey, where are you from? Where are you going to sleep now? I like to hear where people are from around the world. This was pretty cool about the internet.
Hey, Rapid, yeah, spot gamma's hero indicator is not leading me to believe that we're going to get a bounce into the close. But look, Trump's live from the White House right now. He could say anything or do anything. We have no idea what's going to come out of his mouth next, right? We could rip up 100 points.
Nice.
Ah, South India. Okay.
That's what I love about the internet. You meet people from around the world.
Uh-huh. All right, we got 4 minutes.
Do, 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 do. Boop. Boop, boop. Are they going to get it? I want to see Raj's opening price hit. See you tomorrow, Adam. See you later. I want to see if Raj's... I want that opening price to get hit. I mean, I don't have a horse in the race per se, but... I think I'm going to go down and get something to eat. I haven't eaten in...
Yeah, me neither. I ate my green, my Groons, and that's it.
Oh, hey, I went to one of those stores. Jesse that said they had them. They don't have them.
Oh, really?
No. So mad I forgot those.
Yeah, here we go. It's going to take out, what is this, yesterday's low right here? Yeah, it's about to tap yesterday's low.
Back down 137. Where's that put the NASDAQ or the Dow? Dow's up 870 still.
Yeah.
Man.
1:30 a.m. for you, Humbalaji. Wow. For me, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah. My bad. I was looking at my clock and I was thinking, because the clock on my laptop's still set for home time. I was like, you're lying. There's only 1 hour difference. We're at. But I was wrong. Atomic Trader. Hey, Jess. So he's been using ATR-based indicators like Keltner Channel and 75th to 25 percentile indicator. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, hey, the giveaway is done. I tried to put you in the giveaway, but you weren't in the chat. I tried to put you in the giveaway, but you weren't in the chat. So you missed it.
All right, we got 1 minute to go here. Trump's still talking. He's taking questions now. So if somebody asks him the right question and he says the right thing, it could rip, could flush, who knows?
I bet you we close at a different price than we're at right now.
I bet you we close to the right.
Yes.
Okay, I'm seeing selling pressure here. Let's see. Long drive, huh, P? That's right. You could try to get in the next one. Mike does those things like every day.
What?
Usually.
Oh,
giveaways.
Yeah. Not every day, but quite often we've been doing them. I've been lucky recently. I've had a lot of accounts.
Okay. Got about 5 seconds. Here we go.
And the market is closed. Man, I was hoping Raj's opening price prediction, which we got pretty darn close. We got closer than I thought it would. We
Yeah.
said 453. We're way up there. I was like, about way up there. So that was pretty good call on that one, Raj. A little bit off, but a lot closer than I thought it would have been. All right. So with that being said, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I haven't eaten in almost 24 hours.
Oh
I'm
boy.
hungry. Yeah.
All right.
I burned
Thanks
through-
for having me again, dude. Hey, we might maybe see you guys tonight if Mike finishes up the surfing.
Yeah, it depends on what time I get out of the water. I gotta go check see how the waves are because it's building right now. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 10 to something foot, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. That's not what I want to see.
All right, hit the like button, everybody, and thanks, Mike. Thanks for having me. It was fun, dude.
Yeah, that's fun. All right, guys. See you later.
All right, see ya.